Morning, everybody. Morning. Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. What are we up? 18%? 17% pre-market. Oh, man. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. All right, what do we want to talk about first? What do we want to do first, man? Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. I don't even know what to say. This is awesome. This is awesome. The earnings report is awesome. I mean, this is not a run that is not... There is a reason for this run. People are finally waking up, getting their head out of their asses. All right, as I get the chat up here on the left, let's talk about... Okay, so this is according to a Reddit user, right? This is actually according to a Reddit user with a pretty good track record. The earnings call, remember I was talking about the single nucleotide crap, right? Which I'll give you an ape language here in a second if you don't really understand it, that's fine. The earnings call made mention of the potential ability to detect a single nucleotide variation as a future goal. Yeah, it was gold. Yeah, so basically innovation in being able to detect what Bionano can't right now, and you know what long-read and short-read sequencing does. This is what they do. They do single nucleotide structural variants up to 300 base pairs. We do greater than 500 base pairs. So if we can do anything below that, it's over. I mean, from my standpoint, it's I don't know if they're gonna do this. I don't remember. I wish we had a quote. Okay, I guess this person does have a quote in here: ability to detect single nucleotide variation. I think they were talking about something weird, like patent, and then he threw the word probes out there as well. So I'm a little confused as to what exactly he said. I'm going to have to rewatch that and actually get a real quote for you guys. But that is absolutely huge. That is absolutely huge. And as far as Bngo stock price right now, we have a cup and handle, boys. And you see, I have a buy limit order in. We have a cup and handle here. On the 5-minute chart, we have a cup and handle. And remember the cup and handle I called out yesterday? It ended up coming to fruition. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Yes, it's finally happening. Maybe this is the start of the reckoning of the day of reckoning. Maybe, who knows? Where's the lucky suit? I know I wanted to put the suit on. I was actually going to try to put the suit on, but I ran out of time. I was trying to get a video scheduled, and then I'm already late. I literally tried as late as I can to get. I want to start streaming quickly though, because everyone's freaking out right now. I wanted to wear the suit. I'm gonna have to wear the suit more often now because it's the lucky suit, and I will. I honestly don't mind wearing a suit because I look so damn good in it. No, I'm kidding. That's arrogant. All right, here we go. The day of broken glass, Bngo. This is the time. Gamma squeeze, short squeeze, it's happening. All right, no, not really though. Maybe this could be the time where shorts get squeezed. It's going to depend on the retail investors on if we're panic selling or panic profit taking, scalping for pennies, or holding and forcing them to cover. That's what it's going to depend on. There are shorts right now. There are short-term short traders. There are bears. Robbie Smiths of the world. They are shorting right now. They think it's an easy short. We have to prove them otherwise. I'm not selling. You do whatever the hell you want to do if you want to take profits. Don't get mad at me. I'm not telling you to hold. I'm not telling you what to do with your shares. I'm holding all of mine. I'm actually adding. We've got so much farther to go. This could be the start of the short squeeze. I'm in. I'm all in. I'm trying to add 30 shares. Let's go, man. I'm ready for this to go up 100%. It should. It honestly fucking should. The only thing that's holding us back is high growth valuation, flash NASDAQ, / Russell 2000, and people who don't understand the technology. If you understand the technology, this should be worth $2 billion market cap easily, if not way more than that. If this is true right here, it's over. If Bionano does detect single nucleotides with the Sapphire in the next 10 years even, it's done. Bionano's going to the moon, going to Mars. It's going to make us all rich if that's true. All right, do you guys understand what the single nucleotide variation is? It's over. It's done. It's done. There would be no need for long read sequencing, really. You can just buy the Sapphire, which not only do you do the normal stuff that long read sequencing, short read, next read sequencing does, but you get the extra 500 base pairs that no one can detect but Sapphire. It's over if that happens. And that's not even it. That's not even the biggest thing. That's not even it. All right, we've already went over the 10 things that it actually did not get many views. That's why I actually pinned it in that's why I pinned it in the live chat. After you're done watching this one, I want everyone here to go watch the top 10 takeaways for the earnings and understand why this is so damn big for Bionano. It's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. Yes, I am hyped. Hell yes. This could be it. Please don't mistake me here, though. If you want to take profits, get out now so I don't have to deal with your whiny ass. I'm not telling you what to do with your shares, but this could be the start of a 100% run. I'm not kidding. It could be. It depends on what we, the retail investors, do, I think. And then institutions, of course, a couple whales. I mean, let's be honest, most of the time it's going to be a couple whales trading. What are they doing? That's what it's going to depend on. Institutional ownership is looking sweet. Let's go over the institutional ownership one more time. Let's see if anything else new happened. We've got 10.5 institutional ownership right now, 10.5%. Let's see what it is now, or at least yesterday we did. Let's see what it is. It went up again. It went up 0.01%. That's not much. We'll take it, though. We'll take anything we can get. 83,000 shares, new position. This could be it. This could be it. I mean it. Please don't get mad at me if Bionano ends the day red, but this could be it. I'm in it, man. I'm risking it for the reward. The reward is worth the risk at this point, no doubt. We have a cup and handle here on the 5-minute chart. We're forming the handle. Let's go here. Let me go to the 1-minute chart so we can draw it up a little better. All right, here's the handle. We don't really have clear trend lines right now. Something like this is what it's going to be, though, most likely. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to get in on the support level. Right now I have it set for what, 511. Let's go ahead and take that down to like 509. There we go. You see that? If this order gets filled, I can't sell today. Did you see that? I'm not selling. If we go up 100% today, I'm not selling. I'm not selling because what we have held for the last few months, I'm not going to have one of these situations. I don't know what's going to happen. No one does, but this is what could be happening today. All right, anything we can open the day red for all I know. All right, hell, who knows? All right, Nasdaq can go red, market can crash, anything can happen. All right, but let me tell you something, guys. Back in the good old days, most people sold here and we kept going another 2x. All right. And that's how the fundamentals work. All right. Because the fundamentals is what's going to determine it, not the shorts, not the bulls, not the bears, nothing. Fundamentals give us a value far above bloody $5. It's much higher than that. It's not even a question. It's not even a question. If you understand the technology, you understand me. All right, this is my biggest position. I've got 1,000 shares. It's time. Maybe. It's time. I want it to be time so bad. We're so ready. We are so ready for this to be a short squeeze, gamma squeeze. Come on. Come on, Bionano. Is my volume a little too high right now? I feel like it's a little too high. I'm screaming in the mic here. Let me go ahead and turn this down a little bit. Yeah, let me turn it down a little bit. Is that better? So I can scream into the mic without ear rape. Is there ear rape at all when I scream in the mic? Let me know. Anyways, let's check some other stuff right here. What do we got? The bulls are fighting. The bears are winning. The bears are barely winning the level 2 data book here. What we need to do, there's a couple levels that we need to break out of. We're already out of the damn descending resistance. That's out of the question. We're out of there. We're now at 520-ish. We need to hold the day above where we are now. We need to get out of this stupid rectangular resistance level here. We need to turn this as a new support, start forming higher highs and higher lows, and start make this damn big ass cup and handle come to fruition. We need to start going like this. We need to start mooning. It's time. Don't sell. No, seriously, sell if you want. Sell if you don't. Sell if you want to, but I'm not selling a share. So I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm not selling a single share. I'm adding shares, actually. I'm trying to get in on this cup and handle support right here. If we get rejected here again, we'll see. This could be it. It's the nano nozzle. Yes, it is. It's innovations with the Sapphire 2.0 that they have alluded to. They're subtly hinting to every time. And I knew that was what we needed to watch for in the earnings, and we did. We figured out every time. The CEO is always so careful. He doesn't say concretely what the next Sapphire is going to be. He never says. He's like, yeah, he always hints to new updates. So we literally have innovation in the software. The software, the freaking, what do we call it? We already went over this, and where did I have it here? Where is it? Sapphire 2.0 innovations confirmed. Yes, it's not necessarily Sapphire 2.0. That's a little misleading, but it is innovations confirmed in the software, in the consumables, right? That in the software, technically. That's where the innovation is. It's cheaper and it's faster. All right. So this stuff is going to happen all the time. It's not like it's just once a year. Oh, once a year we're going to update the Sapphire. No, you better bet you better be damn sure that you realize CEO knows something that we don't. The Sapphire has innovations coming soon that no one knows about, and that is a fact. I can prove that. You may be wondering, Brandon, what the hell, you are going on a tangent today? That's provable. All right, let's go right here. This is a quote I always go to. This is according to the CEO in last earnings report. We have a, basically just paraphrasing. Okay, I'm not going to read this all because I do that every time. Asked about the total addressable market. He thinks the total addressable market is way higher than a single-digit billion number, way bigger than 3.5 billion, because some of the applications for the Sapphire haven't even been developed. Others are still on the come. How else do you explain this? We're getting innovation. We're getting single nucleotide detection, maybe less than 500 base pair detection. It's over if any of that happens this year. It's done. I think I would be at my whole portfolio would be 100% Bionano if we didn't run on that news. 100% Bionano. Oh, I'm tired. No, the institutional data did not come out yet. Well, if it does, I mean, there is one institution that came out today, but we're going to see today. And I think I got one comment of someone saying that the last day is actually Monday, so I'm not sure. So to be safe, we need institutions not to sell. We need 13Fs that are not selling today. Or if you want to be really smart, if you want to be really safe, really conservative, Monday is the last day. So I'm not sure exactly. It's 45 days after, so I think it's today. It's time. It's time, boys. We've waited all this time. I shouldn't say it's time. It might be time. People are fine. I think people are. Look at the volume. We've got 2 million volume already. Also, by the way, everyone who's saying I was an idiot for buying Mara yesterday, so many people. Where are you now? Shut up now. I don't want to hear it now. I'm up 13%, 10% now. I wish I added more. I only had it in a small position. The Bears only brag when they're right. They don't call it both ways. That's what I hate about them. I don't respect any Bears for that. I'll give you a chance if you're a Bear, but you got to call it both ways. You have to admit when you're wrong, like I do, or else you have no respect for me. Man, when is the next short interest report going to come out, man? Oh man, come on. Let me check the broader markets here. Market opens is in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, market open. UVXY is down big. That's what we like to see. The other pro shares are down. Good, good, good. Russell 2000 is up 1% pre-market. We'd like to see it. We love to see it. SENS is finally going green. That's nice. I feel sorry. SENS is almost as bad as Bngo, like stock price-wise. Well, nowadays, no, but prior to the earnings, yes. Also, by the way, I want to do a little bit of a brag right now. I'm not saying, I'm bragging. All right, let's be honest. I like to brag sometimes. You guys know this. When I'm right, I like to brag. When it's something as hard as predicting the damn earnings, yes, I like to brag. You guys have watched the videos. You guys already knew I was betting on a beat. We beat both. Now, it wasn't even as big as I thought it could be, but it was a pretty big beat. We beat it by 0.3 million because the projection, the revenue estimate was so small, I thought. Only 2.9 million. Like, we got 4 million last quarter. You're expecting 3 million, not even 3 million, just because quarter one is historically that bad. Also, here's another point. I'm going on a tangent here, 1,000 different places. Don't let me forget to open. It starts in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Quarter one is historically the worst quarter for revenue for Bionano. Do you know what that means? Ape language, every other quarter is going to be way more than 3.2 million, guaranteed, basically, 99%. 99%. Just look at last year. Just look at the numbers. 19% we're breaking out. Holy shit. Holy shit. $525. This is the level that we have to hold above. We have to hold above this. I'm going to do my part. I'm going to move this all the way up to this previous level of resistance here. Where is Robbie? You want to know where Robbie is? He's crying right now. He's crying because he's not, and he should be crying because he's not a fair person. If he doesn't come over here, if he does not come over here and admit that he's wrong, he is not an honorable or respectful person in my book. Yeah, BIOL is gone. It was up 26% last I checked. Yes, sir. 31% now. Man, I told you guys. I told you guys this one was undervalued. I told you it's a really risky one. I always say this was really risky, but they're earning. It's pretty much a gamble with them right now because we got reverse split happening. We got share dilution maybe happening with BIOL, but it's undervalued. I feel it's undervalued. They only have they probably only have like a 105 million market cap right now. This company's got way more potential than that. I mean, that's nothing. All right, opens right now. BIOL or Bionano. What am I doing? What am I talking about? 19%, 20%. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're testing the support. We're testing the support. That's BIOL. We don't want BIOL. We want Bionano. Yes, we're testing the support. Buy order. Here we go. Fill it. Fill it. Let's move it up to 520. No, no, no. It's going without me. No, no, no. It's going. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's gone. It's gone. I didn't even get my order filled. Damn it. Every time I try to do a live trade, it never fills, but it always goes up. Like, I'm always right, but I never get it filled. Like, dang it. Come on, go up more, or get my order filled. Either way, I'm happy. Either way. All right, let's see how the market's opened up. Okay, Nasdaq up 1%. Russell 2000 and Nasdaq leading the way. Dow Jones, S&P way down. We love to see when Nasdaq and Russell 2000 are beating the S&P and Dow. Great sign, amazing sign. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq's technicals to see how bad we are actually in. See how bad we are. Okay, let's update this because I think that is not updated. Is that updated? I don't think that is. The daily candle has not even started yet. Is that even the daily candle? No, it's not. The daily candle has not even started yet. Okay, wow. That is wow, Weeble is sucking ass right now. All right, yeah, look at that glitch. Okay, well, there it is. On the 4-hourly, there it is. You can barely see it. We're at a level of resistance on the Nasdaq right now, boys. There we go. Finally, daily candle went. Okay, so we're at a level of resistance right now. Okay, let me make sure the 4-hourly EMA is there. Yeah, it's there. So we're above the 4-hourly EMA. We need to confirm the breakout. Nasdaq needs to hold where it is right now. Bionano's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's time. Congratulations to everyone who added shares yesterday. I added nearly 500 shares, and this was when it was down 6%. So what is that? I'm up, what, 35% on those shares? I'm still down overall, but it helps when you average down. It helps when you average down a ton. If the Nasdaq keeps going, we need it to hold. We need it to stop faking us out. We need the Nasdaq to hold. Stop going down. Just stay sideways. Just don't move the rest of the day. Just stay there. Stay put. I'm going to add this so we can watch the other stuff, make sure I'm not missing anything. Let's see how overextended we are. We're probably going to be pretty overextended, guys. Yeah, we're overextended. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. We need to stay sideways. Bionano needs to consolidate right now. We need this 21 SMA on the 5-minute to come up. We need to stay sideways, get the bump off that, then the next leg higher. That's what we need. 8 million in volume. Yeah, look at that volume. Look at that. 10 million almost. 10 million in volume. We're going to get... Oh, this is going to be a good day. This is going to be a good day. A contingent on the NASDAQ. Anything can happen. If you want to take profits, please do now. I'm not telling you to hold your shares, but I'm adding shares. I'm looking to add shares today, but it's running without me, so I can't. I tried to get into this pre-mark. I couldn't. Shorts are being squeezed. Screw you, Robbie. Screw all the people that literally, God, the last 2 days, man, the bears, all of them think they're geniuses. Like, where are they today? They're nowhere. They're not even admitting they're wrong. This is what I hate about them. This is why I cannot respect any of them that do that. I hate them. I hate when they do that. It's such a low thing to do. You know, it's such a prideful thing to do. You can't even admit when you're wrong. Selfish. It's a low thing. Let's check the markets. NASDAQ is gone. NASDAQ is gone. Bionano is gone. When the NASDAQ is up, Bionano can run. Here we go. This is it. This could be it. This could be the short squeeze that we've been waiting for. I mean, there's not a ton of shorts in, but we could definitely, I mean, we're getting a short squeeze right now, no doubt. But here's the thing with short squeezes. If it's going to happen, it's going to be quick. It happens quickly. It doesn't happen over a week period. It's quick. It's quick or it's nothing. Worldwide structural variation to domination, yes, that's going to happen. That will single nucleotide detection. It's over if that happens. It is. I'm telling you right now, just the fact that the Sapphire may be able to detect single nucleotides, that is reason enough to invest in Bionano and hold it for 10 years. Because if that happens, you better bet this thing is going to be worth a double-digit billion-dollar market cap. That's going to represent a 5x at least. 24%. Oh my gosh, we're gone. We're testing it. All right, we're overextending the 5 minute. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, shorts are covering right now. Holy shit. Oh boy, to the moon, boys. I want to see everyone celebrating. Is there any bears in now? Are there any bear? If you're a bear right now, comment and let me know how you're feeling. All right, good. We just got the next 5 minute candle. Good, go. We got more room to run. Good. We need to stay sideways though. I don't want to see super volatility. I just want to go sideways until we get that bump off the 5 minute SMA at least. And on the 30 minute, it's going to be even worse. We need to chill. I mean, it's fine if we go to 100% now. I'm fine, right? If the shorts are all going to squeeze at once, great. But better off, we need it to slowly go up on the day. We need sustained accumulated distribution line. Here, let me show you the. I don't even have it pulled up right now. Here, let me get it up. The ADL. Here we go. Dang, I just messed up. No, I just messed it up. No. Which one am I forgetting now? SAR, Supertrend. Oh my gosh, what are we up now? We're up 25%. Hold on. The MACD, am I missing an indicator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one I'm missing. Is the RSI? EMA. Okay, EMA. All right, boom. We're good. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang, I'm gonna have to do this whole thing. Okay, Supertrend. I'm sorry. This is gonna take a little bit. All right, Bollinger Bands. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Is that good? We're going to call it good. All right, anyways, what was I talking about? ADL, accumulated distribution line. All right, so we want to see this thing, stay at least sideways. Basically, this thing is it's a complicated indicator, but basically we want this making higher highs and higher lows, not lower lows and lower highs, because that is going to be a divergence on the ADL. That's going to be a strong short and strong sell signal. We want this thing to go up or go sideways on the 30-minute on all time frames, essentially. Okay, here, let's get the Bollinger Bands set up because I know most of you like the Bollinger Bands better. Getting a little bit of rejection here, getting a little bit consolidating. All right, Mara's up 13%, Jumia's up. Oh my gosh, the Nasdaq is gone. Oh my gosh, where are the bears now? And if the Nasdaq ends the day red, they're all going to be like, oh, we were right. Oh my gosh. I hate the bears. Why are the bears so bad, man? Oh man, why are the bears so retarded? Like, just be fair, man. Like, if you want to, you guys, bulls, for all my bulls out there, sell now if you don't want to deal. If you don't want to deal with the risk. I am holding. All right. If we see a retracement all the way down to 519 again, I'm adding. Actually, you know what? No. Never mind. Sorry, that was totally wrong what I just said. I'm adding at 518, 520 because that's where the previous resistance level is. That's actually where my order is now. So not really. That is your limit order, guys. If you're trying to play the breakout, set your limit order right now. 520. That's where the previous level of resistance is. That's where we need to close above today. Don't worry. If we close the day up 20%, that's great. We need to close the day above 518. 518 to 525. We need to close above that today. We can continue higher the next week, all right? That's what we need to do today. If we go 100%, that's great, right? Let's be honest. We all want to moon right now. Tendies now don't give a fuck about anything else. Tendies, Brandon, make this not go up, right? Meet Kevin. He talked about Bngo. Really? Tell me information. Someone comment right now. Give me detailed, concise explanation of what Meet Kevin said and what context and everything. Someone tell me if you want. I didn't see that. What did he say? Is Meet Kevin bullish on Bngo nowadays? So many YouTubers just write Bngo off. Oh, it's too speculative. It's too complicated. They just don't do their due diligence, dude. I mean, no disrespect to them, but they just don't go. I mean, I understand why it's hard. There's 1,000 stocks. If you're going to actually give that much time and effort to Bngo, there better be a reason for it. And, you might have thought it was overextended before. Now it's not. If you do your deep dive, Sapphire deep dive, you can't be bearish. You can't be bearish. It doesn't fundamentally make sense to me. I mean, unless they're retarded, right? Unless they're a Robbie, got hit in the head when they're a baby, right? Yes, it is hard. It's complex. It's esoteric technology. It is. That's why we need this video to get more views. So me, Kevin, can go and use the YouTube chapters and watch the video. All right, we're about to get that retracement on the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. Oh man. All right, 1 minute retracement is right here. Your entry point is going to be 530 if we were to dip right there. Short term, that's a retracement. I'm going to trade with the 5 minute more, I think. Me, Kevin just said Bngo said fantastic quarter one earnings. Is that all he said? Did he say anything specifically? Because, I mean, it doesn't take a genius. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't call the numbers were not fantastic for Bngo. They were good. Like, if you look at that 179% number, if you look at that, it's like, whoa, that's amazing. But you have to consider what's going on here. The Sapphire wasn't really we didn't have any exposure last quarter 1 2020. So But it is a fantastic earnings report, not because the numbers, because the subtle stuff that they're talking about, innovations. 2021 milestones are intact. We got 5 studies proving the use of Bionano in research only stuff. They're only doing the research stuff only. Once we get FDA approval, we already are doing diagnostics and prognosis for any institution that has approved for a laboratory developed test, which is a fair amount of them to my knowledge. So it's not like we need FDA approval, but once we get FDA approval, which they will get, diagnosis, treatment, enhancements, and whatever, all right, it's going to be even better. It's going to be even better once we get that. And actually, I think the FDA approval is like, what does it take? Like 6 months to get, less than 6 months to get? And you can do it really fast, I think, if you want. All right, here we go. Let's see what the markets are doing. Market's dumping a little bit. Oh, I really want to move my buy limit up here, but I also really want to, my main goal for today is Bionano to close above 520s. Above the 520s, that's where we want it to close. Market is too unstable. You know, I would make that argument that it's undervalued. You know, you can make that argument it's unstable. Guess what? You know, the market was unstable during the crash. If you bought the dip, you're a genius now. So I would make that argument that we're undervalued short term at least. Make your own decision though. I'm by no means am I telling you to do what to do with your shares. I'm holding and adding all my Bionano shares. Well, I have 1,077 shares, 2 leaps, well, 1 leap and 1-ish leap, like half leap. Oh, here we go. Here it is. That's your buy signal on the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we get a bounce. I would not be surprised if we did. Look at that. The bulls are winning. The bulls are winning the level 2 data. That is amazing. That is amazing. How are we not bouncing off this? We should be bouncing off this. Profit taking. All the people that FOMO'd in are profit taking right now, it looks like. Let's look at the 5 minute. I want to get that retracement on the 5 minute here. I want us to stay sideways, and then I want this 5 minute to come up, and that's where I'm going to put my entry point. Another entry point probably. I have... All right, here we go. Are we getting to it? All right, here we go. Okay, well, this is actually below 520, so my 520 is going to fill first. Look at this, 200,000 shares. The Bears, on a day that we're up 20%, the Bears cannot even contend. They cannot even contend. All right, are we getting a bounce finally? Looks like we may be getting a bounce. Oh, here we go. All right, my order's about to fill. All right, here we go. We're bleeding. Here we go. Are the markets bleeding? Is that what's causing this? Okay, it's the markets. Wow. See, this is why I hate the NASDAQ. It fakes us out so much. Like, we just went over a resistance level. We just went over it, and then we get rejected, like, out of nowhere. It's like, what the hell? I'm going to put in another order if we keep bleeding here. I'm serious about adding. I'm very serious about adding. All right, here we go. I'm going to put another one in. I'm going to do 30 shares again. Boom. Boom. There we go. We're up 18% right now. Bngo does not need FDA approval necessarily. It would certainly help. I would like if we could get it, but we don't need it. It's in full use. There's no capabilities that are going to be unlocked that are, not allowed to do without FDA approval. If you're laboratory developed tests, you can do diagnosis, prognosis, whatever you want with the Sapphire system. So, man, the NASDAQ is killing us right now. Are you kidding me? Chill out. UVXY is down. We can start running, boys. It's time. It's time to run. We're not trying to panic sell and take some pennies. All right, here we go. We need to close the day above 520. This is not good. We need to get a bounce here. I'm gonna put another limit order in. How much buying power do I have? 300. Oh, I really want to just drop all my share. I really just want to buy so many shares right now. I'm gonna do 50. I'm gonna do 50 right here. Here's the reason why. I think interest is going to interest. I think interest could really start actually picking up for Bionano right now. I think earnings could be the thing that does it. I also think that this earnings should be bringing, the last earnings we went negative on. All right, we should have went green for that. We should have went green for all the fundamental increases. It's fundamentally undervalued. I think the risk is worth the reward right at this point. My happiness is short-lived. Give it time, my friend. All in due time. All in due time. We're still up 16%, but we need to close the day up about 20, 19, 18%. We need to get a bounce at some point today for me to feel really good about, holding like way more shares than I was planning on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Wrong way. Wrong way. We need to go up. Oh, my gosh. Stop taking profit. Why is everyone so scared? Oh, my gosh. Scared money does not make money. You guys know this. Come on. Brandon, make the stock go up. Oh my gosh. We broke right through this resistance. Wow, 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 wow. All right, let's see what the next level of support here is. Oh my gosh, we're breaking through the 5-minute too. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, it's not over whatsoever. All right, don't freak out, boys, but this is not what we want to see. On the 1 hourly, we have everything. On the 2 hourly, we have everything. And on the 4 hourly, we are getting rejected by the Supertrend. Damn it. We got the SAR flip, though. That's really bullish. We've got a ton of bullish stuff here. A ton of bullish signs. But I really would love, if we could close above 520s. Oh, man. Come on, come on, come on. Let's check the level 2 data. See, this is just what's shitty, all right? The bulls have way more orders in. Like, we're doubling the bears orders, yet we're still losing. Like, how like, are there that many fake buy walls on this side? Like, really? Really? You're really trying to do that? The damn Bears, man. The Bears play dirty. That's why we got to play dirty. We got to hold. We got to hodl and add. No selling right now. We got so much farther to go. Do what you want. I'm not trying to tell you to stay in, though. You do whatever you want. All right? I said when we were up 25%. Sell if you want to do. All right? I'm not trying to convince you. You do whatever you want with your shares, my friends. I'm not telling you what to do. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Wrong way. 200-day EMA. Yep. The damn 200-day EMA. Well, we're actually getting support at that right now. 510. 510. All right, so that's another. Actually, you know what? I think I might put another buy limit order right there. 510 is the 200-day EMA. That's another level of support here. 510. I'm gonna do it for. Well, let's see. Let's level 2. How much buying power do I have left? I have a fair amount of buying power. I'm undecided. We'll see. Maybe I'll do another one. Brandon with over 1K shares gonna have 100K plus when it hits 100. I hope so, my friend. I hope so. I think we will. The trend barely lasted 15 minutes. Or we got a 4 hourly flip on the SAR and the super trend. Well, not the super trend, but the SAR, we got the 4 hourly flip. We're consolidating right now, getting ready for the next run higher. I would argue that we have plenty of chance to go into new highs today. That's what I would argue right now. Nothing right now. This was a NASDAQ scare. That's what it was. All right, NASDAQ flash crash, real quick. Not really a flash crash, but a mini flash crash. Now we're recovering. Okay, look at that. All right, look at that. Oh, it's over. It's over. No, we're still going to close the day. We should close the day well over 10% in the green. Well over. The earnings justifies that and way more than that. Okay, single nucleotide detection. No one else understands what that is. That's why I want to make sure everyone understands that. That's why it's so huge. That's why the people don't care about the fundamentals. It's too esoteric. They don't understand the technology, which is understandable. But when you do the research, you understand why I'm so bullish on it. You understand why it's such a big deal. And we're going to go over that again if you didn't understand that. Or you just watch the top 10 takeaways Bngo earnings video after this stream. That's fine too. I have that linked in the chat, by the way. Let's talk about some other stocks. Bitcoin. Mara up big. Bitcoin up big. Screw everyone who is saying Bitcoin's going to crash, man. Elon Musk doesn't like it anymore. That Elon Musk tweet was bullshit. He does not even, I don't even think he believes what he says. I'm not going to detail exactly why, because that's just a whole nother road. But Mara's up big. BIOL is up 22%. Wow, it was up 32% at a point. Microvision. Wow. This one is making me want to buy. Okay, well, never mind. It just broke out. I thought it was at the level of support. It broke down. Never mind. All right, Microvision's getting killed, man. That's interesting. I would love if this thing could see lower than double digits. That would be nice if it could see lower than 10. It's not going to, most likely, but we will see. Let's go to Bionano. That's what everyone wants to see. Right? Come on, let's be honest. All right. Oh, man, come on. We got to get up here. We got to flip the 1 minute. Come on. Wrong way. Let's go. Yeah, they also teased an acquisition. The chief financial officer yesterday, when asked about how they're going to use the cash this next quarter, he said strategic moves, I believe. I think he said strategic moves. He might have said like strategic something else. I don't remember the exact word, but acquisitions are absolutely not out of the question. Not at all out of the question. So 512 is where we got the bounce last time. Kind of interesting. That's right where the 200-day EMA on the daily is. So that's I think that's where I'm going to add shares next if we continue to go down here. maybe, if I'm going to add shares. We'll see. We'll see. NASDAQ is not being our friend right now. Russell 2000 is not being our friend. Neither of them are doing bad. Like, they're holding decently. They're not just free falling. I mean, they kind of are. Yes, there's a short squeeze today. Yes. I mean, there's a possibility. I shouldn't say there is for sure. We already got a little bit of a short squeeze, no doubt. But here's the thing: with the short, there's always when you're pushing at 25% new highs on the day, the shorts are opening up positions, and if people panic sell off that, they're going to win, and they're not going to cover. The shorts historically have been able to just hold their shorts and just keep going lower. We need to prove them otherwise. We need to hold, not scalp for pennies. That's what I think. We need to hold above 520 today. That's what we need to. We just got rejected at 529. I hate it. I hate this. We need to close above 520s, 525. That would be great if we close above that. We have to close above 510. We have to close above 510. That's what the 200-day EMA on the daily is. That's like worst case. Like, okay, we close at 510. I'm still bullish short term and mid term because we closed above the 200-day EMA, but we got rejected by resistance, and we're likely to maybe get rejected even further. So we need to close above 510, 100%. But we're still up 17%. 30 million volume, 40 million. Okay, I thought that was 40 million for a second. Yeah, almost 30 million right now. See, this is it. The volume is in. It is, I mean, if people understood the technology, this thing would be up 50% right now. If people understood the technology, we would be way up 50%, 100%. Single nucleotide variation detection. Are you kidding me? Long read sequencing will be obsolete if we do that. He said that's something they're looking for in the future with innovations, basically. That's what he said. Don't take it from me, take it from the CEO. We covered that in the earnings top 10 takeaways video. Go watch that if you don't understand that. There seems to be resistance at low fives. Yes. Well, there is. Well, I don't really know why we got rejected at 558 more because just shorts and people taking profits, I believe. But we need, look at where we are. We are literally trying to get a bounce off this support right now. We need to get a bounce off this. We need to confirm the breakout. Please don't confirm the breakdown. That would be so demoralizing. Come on. We need to close above, at least we need to close above 510. That's where the 200-day EMA is. Come on. That's like, we have to close above that. We got the 200-day EMA. We got the support. We got a ton of buy limit orders. I don't know if all of these are fakes, but it's way better than the bears. So and volume is on our side. Earnings report is on our side. Oh my gosh, we're bleeding again. 510, really? I'm gonna put an order in at 510. I'm gonna do 30 more shares. Wrong way. This is way, oh, this is such an overreaction right now. Like, oh, this is literally just a pump and dump. The people are treating Bngo like a pump and dump right now. Oh my gosh, we have so much room to go. Are you kidding me? Wow. Man, sad. We're still doing good, though. We need to close above 510 for a little bit of hope, close above 520 for a lot of hope for next week. That's what we need. The institutions are loading up. The earnings report was amazing. NASDAQ is green. Why are we only up 16%? Let's go. Come on. Relax, Brandon. I do need to relax. Yes. Yeah, that's true. I know. I'm watching Bngo every minute right now. I know. JMIA is pushing up really nicely. Mora is just killing it. I wanted to add more to this yesterday, man. I knew I should have added more. I wanted to add more this morning too. I didn't. Still happy. Can't complain. I got a fairly strong position established. So the markets are pushing right now. Yeah, I would not be surprised if Bngo rockets right here. Sure, at least like up to like I don't know 535 or something. Come on now. Wow, they're serious. This is crazy. Shorts are really doing their worst, and people are literally, I don't know if people FOMO'd into this, and that's what caused the spike to 558, but people are going insane right now. They're not believing in Bngo. And this is the first, 24 minutes in the market. We can close a day freaking at 100% up. Seriously, I mean that. All right? I mean that. 100%. Seriously. That's where we should be. That's where the fundamental value lies. But It's going to depend on what people think. The FOMO is crazy. People are scared. Stop losses are being hit. We should easily close above 510. We're really testing 510 right now, which is scary as hell. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very scared right now because I have so much faith in Bngo, but no faith in the people investing in Bngo because they're all paper handers except us, except some of you. God, 508. W? I mean, hopefully. JMIA. JMIA's up 8, Mara's up 11. See, the NASDAQ is pushing right now, and Bionano is doing nothing. This is why it makes no sense. Oh, man. All right, come on now. Let's check the broader markets. Let's check UVXY. UVXY is down 12%. Good. This is what we like to see. UVXY down 10%. IWM pushing. Russell 2000 and the NASDAQ both pushing. This is what we'd love to see. This is what we want to see. Look at that 1 minute chart. Look at this. This is actually what we should be watching, honestly. We need... Whoa, look at that with those Bollinger Bands. What the hell kind of pattern is this? We need to break... We got rejected right here. Double top on the 1 minute potentially if we get rejected here. Sell signal if the NASDAQ does not break out above this. Sell signal if you want to do that. I'm not selling. You guys, I'm not selling. No way. I know I shouldn't be worrying. I know. I am, though. I am. I want this to be the time. I want this to be it. It should be it. The earnings is so goddamn good, and no one is... So mad. I'm still happy, though. I'm still happy that we're up 14%. It was still... Whatever the stock price does today, I know if we keep dipping, I'm going to use the rest of my buying power on it. If we see 4s again, I'm serious. I'll do that live. I'm serious. The earnings report is insanely good. Oh my gosh, revenue's on track to grow almost 90 to 100% year-over-year revenue growth. This is insane. This is absolutely insane that we're not pushing right now, at least short term. NASDAQ is gone. Bionano is nowhere to be found. NNDM is mooning now? Really? Yes, it is. 10%. Yeah, it was an easy buy. I mean, Microvision and Nano Dimension, JMIA, BioLace, all these have been super undervalued. And my pick, I went with Mora and Bngo, and obviously, you know, Mora is gone right now. Let's go, man. Mora is gone. I love it. Mora is gone. Look at that. 20% in a day. Love it. When will I take profits on Mora? That is a great question. I actually want to add on Mora, my friend. Look at that volume, 32 million. More sellers than buyers the last few minutes. So the markets are, it looks like the markets are trying to break out here. Let me see this. Let me see the 1 minute. All right, look at this. All right, oh my gosh. All right, here we go. This is a huge, oh my gosh, if we can confirm the breakout here, I will use, mark my words, if the NASDAQ confirms the breakout right here, I will drop like at least half of my buying power on Bionano right now. Confirm the breakout. What I mean by that, and that could take a couple hours, honestly. The more time we get above this level, the more validated it is. We need this on the 1 minute chart to come back to the 50% retracement, get a bounce, and form a higher high. Then I will add significant shares to Bngo. Live trading. You guys enjoying this live trading? It's fun as hell, is it not? Most exciting stream you've ever been to. Bngo's mooning. Hopefully we're bleeding short term. We're still doing well though. We're still doing well. What do you all think? Is there any news that I'm missing today on the economic calendar? Let's check this crap. Let's get this crap out of the way. Bond yields, what are we doing? Bond yields are down today. Yes. This is what we like to see. Good. Economic calendar. May 14th today. All right, most of this stuff has already come in. Good. We don't want... The market likes stability. This is good. Consumer sentiment. Who gives a crap about consumer sentiment? Business inventories. Dude, who gives one? This guy is probably a retard. No one cares about what this guy says. Let's get some tendies now. Markets go burr. Come on. I'm just messing around. But seriously, this looks pretty good, though. It's good when most of these numbers are done because, you know, market likes stability. Like I said, obviously, that is true. Let's update this. Fintel.io. This is going to be huge. We have to watch the Fintel.io because the SEC filings, this is the day. This or Monday is the last day that they can file quarter one transactions. 100%. I'm 100% sure. Whoa, whoa, Oppenheimer downgrade to 14. Is that true? No, no, no. I don't think that is true. Kevin the Jeter? No, no, no. Oppenheimer downgrade. Bngo. Let me see if I can find it. May 7th, 13. No, 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 no. There's nothing like this. No, 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 no. Let's do the past week. No, there's nothing in here. No, no, no. I'm not finding anything. I would have saw that if there was. I checked the Bngo stock news almost every day. I probably would have saw that. Oppenheimer. No, no, no. There's nothing in here. No, no, no. There's nothing in it. Send me the link if Oppenheimer. Kevin the Jeter. I think that's the guy that does that. That's the Oppenheimer guy. He loves Bngo. He was the guy who was questioning. Oh my gosh, the Nasdaq is gone. Oh my gosh. I followed you with Mara and Bngo. I'm very happy. Not to worry, Brandon. Congratulations to anyone who took my non-financial advice yesterday. Yeah, we've been on fire the last few days. We've been on fire. Because the Nasdaq is slowly taking the head out of the ass. You know, it's just trying to get it out of there, trying to get competent. Right now, it's still incompetent though. If we can confirm the breakout, I'm adding Bngo. Okay, you know what? I'm adding Bngo right now. How is Bngo not moving with the markets at all? I'm adding more. I have to add more. Let's go. Come on. Let's add. Would we have a buy wall of 5? Yes, we do. 56,000 shares, baby. You better bet we're about to get a bounce here. Let me put it in. Let me put it in at 504. I'm gonna do 50. I'm gonna do 60 shares. I think we're gonna get bounce right now. Honestly, anything can happen, but I think Nasdaq Bngo is due for a bounce short term. I mean, this sell off is insane. Insane. The Nasdaq is going up right now, boys. The earnings report should send us 50% up, not 20%. Oh. Now my order's not going to fill. Whatever. If it doesn't fill, whatever. I want it to go to the moon either way. Just go to the moon. I don't care if you fill my order or not. Mora's still pushing. Jumia's still pushing. Everything's on fire right now. God damn. All my 3 positions are on fire, beating everything else pretty much except BIOL. BIOL is the only thing that's beating us right now. Microvision, boom. Nano Dimension, everything is gone. Nasdaq, oh. I told you guys oh my gosh, I told you this exactly. I told you this. If we confirm the breakout, it's going to get really good. Did I not say I wanted to add Bngo shares if the Nasdaq confirmed it? It's looking like it wants to confirm it right now. Once we got rejected here last time. We just broke through it. Where's the next resistance level, you may ask? Nowhere. We got a while yet. And of course, we got to fake out. The last 2 days, we have had fake outs, right? Literally, we've had fake outs left and right. Hopefully, this isn't a fake out, but the 13.3K level is a strong one, and we are right now above it. Hopefully, we can confirm the breakout. Let's see the 4-hourly. Did we get a flip on the 4-hourly? Oh my gosh, we didn't. The 2-hourly we did, though. That's the start. So we got some starting signs of a reversal. Good. This is good. So Bngo is bouncing a little bit, very small, not a very cool way. So Mara here. Mara. Do I want to take profits? That's what I'm thinking about. Maxim Group downgrade. April 7th. 17 hours ago. Here we go. Is this it? Is this the right one? No, this is not the right one. No. Let me control F, see if we can find that. Nope, there's nothing. There's nothing. Send me the link. Email me the link, and I'll go over it. All right? Email me auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com. You go to the description and do it. All right? What do we got? Banyos. No, we just checked Banyos. Never mind. Mara bleeding, Bngo bleeding, everything's dying. What the hell? Markets are going up. What's going on right now? Oh, come on. I'm going crazy. Come on. Take profits, bigger position on Bngo. Yeah, honestly. Well, here's the thing, buddy. Here's the thing, Sebastian. Here's the thing. Mara, I'm just as bullish, if not more bullish on Mara short term than Bngo. So actually, that's a no-go. Why do you think the markets are up today? I thought inflation fears would have people taking mass profits. The inflation fears are already priced in 100%. They should be. They should be. Everything the bears are betting on. I've been saying this for the last few weeks. The only reason why the markets can go down from here is if the bears and if panic sellers continue. There's no reason why the market should be down. We should be up. Everyone has known, and their dog and cat and fish has all known about inflation. The CPI report was bad. It does not justify this crazy sell-off. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And you have to take into consideration the context of the sell-off. We already had went down a ton. It's too far, too fast, and down to the downside. We are oversold. We were. I mean, now we're basically getting closer to neutral, but we were due for a bounce, and this is it. If you want to take profits and get out of the markets now, do it. So I don't have to deal with you whining. I don't want to have you guys whining at me when Bngo is back at 450. If it does, I don't think it is. I'm not trading. I'm not betting on that. It can. Better not get mad at me if you decide not to sell now. That's your choice, not mine. Yes, people are taking profits. Yes, people are taking profits. Everyone is thinking this is a pump and dump. It's not a pump and dump. This thing is gonna. I think Bngo is gonna run by the end of the day. More than 14%. We should close up 20%. The earnings report justifies that easily. We got the Nasdaq up. We've got the volume. We've got the interest. Everything is in our favor, except the damn panic sellers and the shorts. Ugh. I'm pissed. Bngo is up 15%. I'm pissed. Send me the article. 7:46 a.m. this morning. Send me the. I can't find it. I already looked it up. I can't find the article. Let me check Yahoo Finance. No. Let me check the news section on Weibo. I think I already did though. There's nothing. Sector update. Healthcare. No, there's nothing, man. There's nothing here. I'm not seeing it. Tell me. Send me the link. Tell me the keywords. Tell me the exact article name. I've heard someone say it was Oppenheimer, then Market Watch, and then it was another one. Someone like everyone is saying different sites. This is so funny. No Bear Friend says Bngo revenue ain't good for its market cap. What do you think, Brandon? The revenue is amazing. Well, here's the thing. No, we're trading at a high price to earnings and price to sales and price to book ratio. It's just true. We are trading very high. But send it to you. Thank you. All right, I'll do it. All right, I'll check it out right now. Thank you. All right, it's downgrade on Bngo. Thank you. All right. Oh, damn, I wanted the link. All right, this is okay, though, I guess. Here, let me, I can't even see that. All right, MW Bionano stock price target cut to 10. All right, let me type that in exactly. All right, so Bngo, Market Watch, Bngo downgrade from 14 to 10. All right, I'm typing that up exactly. It's not here. What the hell? Let me change the time. It's not here. I can't find it, my friend. You want to send me the link? Let me see if I did type that in correctly. I did. Bionano stock price target. Bionano stock price target. Is this it? I don't know what time this was. This isn't it. Nope, it's not here. I don't know where you guys are getting this. Like, whatever. It's just one article. If you want to send me the link, I'll check it again. But yeah, I can't find it. So if you're not gonna send the link, I'm just we'll cover it later if I can find if it comes out later, because I don't know why I'm not seeing it. All right. All right, boys. What else do we got? What's the Nasdaq doing? Oh, good. You guys know that meme, the Robin Hood guy, when Tesla Cybertruck, I think that's when it was. I don't like this. All right, that's good. Marcus, I believe you, my friends. I can't find the article. So I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying I can't find the article. It's not there. Someone send me the link. Someone email the link to me. The actual link. All right. Yeah, so the markets are fucking batshit crazy again. Okay, we got a little bit of bounce right now. Okay, good. Mara is still going. Oh, I love Mara. Mara's got look at this, okay? We've got so much room to go. The value, you guys already have heard my Bitcoin proportionate value to Mara and Bitcoin. I want to add more share. Honestly, part of me really wants this to dip so I can add, but I don't have any day trades. Here's the thing. I don't have any day trades, so if I were to sell, I can't add any more. I think I'm just going to hold this one today, overnight. I don't know. We'll see. Jumia's up 9%. Only have one share. Tried to add several times. Did not get my orders filled. Bionano, my orders are getting filled. All of them are getting filled, but we're going down. So I'm still happy that we're still at 15%. You won't find it on the web. It's a paid service. Oh, Okay. Well, that makes sense. You should have told me that at the start, my friend. Don't see anything about a ground downgrade. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I couldn't find it. Anyways, yeah. So I guess it's TD Ameritrade exclusive. I guess. Is it really? Maxim Group is the firm that cut the price target. Yeah. So basically, all right. I'll do it one more time. This is the last time I'm gonna try because I've tried like 7 different times. Maxim Group cut 14 to 10. Bngo. This is like the exact same thing that I did earlier. It's not here. Like right, the first thing that comes up, Maxim Group up their price target, and here, there's nothing even from Maxim Group here. So yeah, it's not here, my friend. So that's the last time I'm gonna look. Yep. All right. Let me check the Bngo subreddit, see if they're talking about anything crazy here. If we got any new posts or anything. Let's see. Donation for beer. What we're experiencing today is another short cover. We'll be a couple more before July. After that, we're going up 3x. We're going 3x up. Peeps, every time you see a less than 4. Yeah, every time you see less than 4 by the dip, we're triple digits end of year only, in my opinion. Yes, thank you so much, my friend. Totally agree. Totally agree with most of that. Yes, sir. It is a short covering, but here's the thing. Shorts started covering. A ton of shorts started added there. Also, guys, I just realized this. 558 actually is an important level. It's not for no reason. 558 is where the institutions got in on March 5th. I just realized that. That's kind of crazy. That is kind of crazy right there. So that is going to be a resistance level, obviously. I have the resistance marked as a horizontal level, which honestly maybe it should be a rectangular level, but it's not really clear because there's not really any clear validations. Anyways, what were we talking about? The sub is very silly. All right. Most of the participants don't understand Bngo in depth. That's true. Most people don't understand it. That's the problem. That is the problem. Finally, Bngo is bouncing a little bit, trying to form a little bit of a cup and handle. The start of a cup and handle potentially right here. I will add shares again in the handle portion. I like when I trade cup and handles short term, I like to add on the handle. I don't like to play the breakout actually. If it's a company like this, at least. Oh, really? Wait a second. Kevin DeJeter reiterated $14 price target. Came out today. Is that what you're saying? Is that true? This is the last time. This is the last time. Seriously, Bngos.news. I don't think it's in here though. I don't know. It's not here. Is it down here more? It doesn't matter. It's just an article. I'll cover it later if I don't find it now. Yeah, I don't think it's here though, my friend. I'm not seeing it. Just revenue crap. Okay, we're up 16%. Yes. Here's the handle. Well, no, we actually need to go up more higher. What am I talking about? Yeah, we do have a potential little bit of a double bottom here on the 502. We have a ton of buy limit orders at $5 flat. Look at that. The bulls. Oh wow, it's actually even. The bulls and bears are actually matching each other right now. That's weird. Look at that. We've got 36K shares to be sold at 523. Really? I don't think so. I think that's a fake wall. No one in their right mind. No whale is selling 23,000 shares, man. No one is doing that. How to send link? Go to auspiciousbusiness at yahoo.com. All right. Here, I don't even have it listed here. I'll write it down right here. Send me the links for the articles y'all are talking about, please. I've looked them up several times on the news section and it's just not there. So, so send the links there and I will check it. Tell me once you sent them too. I would check the articles out. Mara Jumia still pushing evenly. What's the markets doing? Oh boy. The markets are gone. If Bngo doesn't run if the market closes the day like it does right now, the Nasdaq at least, I would not be surprised if Bngo finishes the day up 20% or more. I could be wrong. I'm not predicting that. I'm just saying I wouldn't be surprised. Cup and handle. Come on, cup and handle. No, this is not the right way for the cup and handle. By the way, since everything is kind of cooling down right now, there's not anything crazy right now. Basically, I know this one didn't get a lot of views. Probably most of you saw it, but the top 10 earnings takeaway video, that is the video out of all the Bngo videos we made yesterday. That's the one you want to watch because that explains the subtle, nuanced details that they talked about in the earnings and why I've been adding shares so much this morning. Right? How many shares have I added this morning? 200. I've added 200 shares this morning. I'm serious. I seriously think it was a great earnings report. And I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add more shares. I'm gonna put an order added 5. Let's check the level 2 data. Yeah, I'm gonna put it for 501. There's no reason why Bngo should not be up. There's no reason. The Nasdaq is pushing right now. I'm gonna do how many orders? Man, I'm using all my buying power today. I think this might be the last one I do today. What is this? 60 shares? 50 shares? Yeah, 50 shares. Here we go. I've added, what, 250 shares now if this next one gets filled. Yeah, I think Bngo is going to run the rest of the day, man. It should. It should. We all want it to, though. We're all biased, man. We need more volume and interest. Did anyone send me the link yet for any of the articles y'all are talking about? Nano Dimension and Microvision. There you go, Microvision. Boom! I told you this yesterday. If we broke to the downside and on en route to this price target would seem of the descending triangle, don't expect to get there. I actually said word for word anything under 13 is a decent buy long term. Yeah, but that's because the Nasdaq went up. Remember, all our stocks are contingent on the Nasdaq. Basically, at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to. Dude, once this thing starts running, so many people are gonna FOMO in. I swear, people are gonna FOMO in once again. I promise you. Did you subscribe to Market Watch? It is the first news under Market Watch for Bngo. I already looked at it. I've already searched it up word for word. Calm your FOMO, Brandon. Ha ha ha. What is your average on Bngo, Brandon? It is actually right here for you. So $5.60, $5.66 is my average. I want to get that lower. I actually want to. I would be fine of making Bngo 100% of my portfolio. I'm serious. That sounds really bullish, and that probably hypes some people up. Make your own damn investing decisions. I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your shares. This is what I'm doing with mine. If we don't run today, I'm gonna add more shares if we don't move today. This is please don't get mad if I'm wrong about this. You make your own decision, but I think if we close the day like this and the Nasdaq closes the day like where it's at, next week is going to be great. Next week's going to be great. We are so damn undervalued right now. Oh, I really hate that we got rejected though. I really hate that we're not holding above the 200-day EMA on the daily, which is at 510. I hate that. I really hate that. How many shares do you own? 1,277. Did you send the link? Did anyone send the link? I don't think anyone said they would, but I'm going to check it anyway. We'll check it out later. How is there not a link to it? What? Oh, okay. It's just an alert. Okay, gotcha. Okay, well, dude, whatever. Dude, come on. You guys know how I feel about the analysts. They don't know what they're doing, all right? Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Most of them are bad. You know, it's nothing to pay attention to. Why would they, and when did they downgrade that, by the way? When did they downgrade it? Tell me the exact time if it's there, if you want. Because why the hell would they downgrade it after such a great earnings report? What the hell are they thinking? You should upgrade your price target. Wow, they downgraded it right today. Wow. That's idiotic. That's idiotic. From $14 to $10. Why? We got a huge earn. I mean, we've got great catalysts coming. We've got great stuff in the works. The earnings report was fantastic overall. The revenue and the EPS, the numbers were good, not fantastic, but everything else was fantastic. God, I don't know what. Someone tell me what that analyst is thinking. You know what? I'll answer that for you. He's not thinking. He's being a mindless weenie baby suit. JMIA 9%, Mara 10% still. Look at these calls. So beautiful when the calls are up today. Let's look at it in this view. This is even more beautiful. 40%, 25%, 27%. So beautiful. Such a nice change. 40 million volume. What are people doing? Oh my God. If the volume keeps increasing and the NASDAQ stays sideways, this is going to bounce by the end of the day. This is going to finish the day up 20%, I think. Markets are chilling, dude. It's done. We don't have if the NASDAQ confirms the breakout, like we've been saying, close the day above 13.3K roughly, there's not really any significant resistance that I'm seeing until the next Fibonacci level. So not even just, and the earnings report and everything, okay, and the fundamental decrease in Bionano's value and undervalue synthesis that I have, right? It's an easy buy. It's an easy buy right now. Anything under 10 is a steal long term. I don't see a problem with $10. That's 2x. Well, yeah, that's true, but they are not really short-term minded. You know, they're typically doing end of year or year out from whatever price target that is. But I need to see Brandon rage. Enough of this. My rage. What would I do? Break the computer? Just break the mic? Just throw it out or something? I don't know. Look at Fintel. Vanguard with 3. Whoa. You better not be messing with me, my friend. You better not be messing with me. Are you kidding? That would be huge if it was. Whoa! Oh my gosh. This is serious. What? 9 million shares. Vanguard, 514, just filed in the last hour. 558, exact same price. Quarter one transaction. What is going on? Is no one else seeing this? This is gonna send the stock price up at least like 5%, right? The BlackRock news sent us up a little bit in the pre-market, I believe. Last time we just got 9 million from Vanguard. What's the institutional ownership now? 11%. It was 10.5% when we checked it this morning. 11.5% now. 9 million shares. Average cost $558. They are probably still holding today. Let me do my little institution rant. If you didn't watch the videos, you need to watch all the videos, the institutional videos, because they're important. But 558 is the exact low on March 5th. If they held, if they didn't sell right here, we would know if they sold right here, because this is in quarter one and they have to file all transactions up to this date from quarter one, January 1st to the 31st of March. They have to file those today or Monday, 100%. We will know if they held. And it's so important, because if they held through this, do you think they're holding now? Hell yes. Why would they not be holding now? And they're institutions. They do their due diligence. They've done everything. They are holding now. This is bullish as heck. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so hyped right now. 9 million shares. So Bngo is breaking down somehow. What the hell? How is it? Someone tell me when this was updated, because I haven't checked this since the start of the stream. So it might have been like 30 minutes or an hour. It might be old news, or well, not old news, but this might have actually been what kind of caused the spike right here. If the news was right before pre-market, someone tell me if that's true. Someone tell me when it was. What exact time? Does anyone know what exact time roughly this actually was updated? I wish they had the time for the file date. That would be nice, Fintel, but no. Isn't that Vanguard fund extremely conservative? I actually don't. I'm not sure about that. I don't know. But this is crazy. This is crazy. I checked 20 minutes ago. It wasn't there. Okay, that's really bullish then. What the hell? Am I looking at this wrong? I mean, there's no way I'm looking at this wrong. We were at 10.5% institutional ownership before. We didn't have 9 million. The only transaction for today was this one, and it was. I thought this was only 50,000 shares. I guess it was 80,000, but. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is bull. Is no one else seeing this right now? Here, let me go ahead and post this to the Bngo subreddit right now, because I don't think anyone else is. Let's refresh this, see if someone else got there before me. Okay, no, it hasn't. All right. If I can type here. All right. What does institutional value mean? This is in the millions. This is how much the shares are worth. This is what someone explained to me why Bionano is not up 20% right now. Someone explained to me. It's just profit taking, just paper handing, just scalping. Straight up, the markets are up a ton. High growth is up a ton. Bionano has a ton of great news. We're barely up 14%. Oh my gosh. If my math is right, Vanguard has 30 million shares right now. Here, let me click on this. Sell the news. Yeah, well, yeah, sell the news. Yeah, a lot of people are doing that. Yeah. Yeah, man. So this is crazy. This is crazy, man. I told you, we've known that the institutional filings are going to be huge this week because this is where the cutoff date is. And of course, since I actually made a little bit of bragging right now, I did predict that institutional ownership would increase a ton since it was 5% and 4%, right? I mean, we did predict this, did we not? So, wow, look at that. Look at that. We got some green. What a nice change. Screw the penny flippers. Yeah, honestly. If you're scalping for pennies right now, I disagree with you strongly, but don't make your own decision. I think Bngo end of the day should be at least 520, 530. We need it to be 520. For the people just ending now, we need here. That's actually not true. We have to close above 510 to be very short-term bullish. If we close above 520, that's extremely short-term bullish for next week. Just saying, 9 million represents 30% increase. But if you click on it, it's like they eliminated the article because you cannot click and read. Try that link, Brandon. Yeah, I think you're talking about the email. That was a while ago. I don't know how you're just now seeing this, but yeah. I think this is isn't this a screenshot? Yeah, wait, is this the link though? Yeah, this is. Yeah, what the hell? I see what you mean. Did they just delete this article? Did they just delete the hyperlink? Yeah, why is it? I'm clicking on it right now. You can't actually click on it. Look at this. I'll zoom in for y'all. You can't actually click on this crap. So what the hell? They might have deleted it. Someone go and check that for us. I'm having you guys do a ton of work today. That's so fun. I don't have to do the work you guys do. All right. So yeah, let me know. They could have deleted the article. That's true. They could have downgraded it. Copy and paste the link. I don't have the link. No one has sent me the link. I keep saying send me the link. This person did, but if they did, I think it went to, there's no link though. It's just the thing. It's just like the picture, and then you would be able to click on it unless they deleted it. Here. Let me. You want me to? You got to send me the link. I don't want to be searching a ton because I haven't had any success with searching. Just send me the link. Send me the link at auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com, my friends. Send me the link to whatever you want me to look at, Marcus. Liftoff time. Yes, it is. Yeah. Oh, right when I checked, a huge red candle. Damn it. It's not an article anymore. Yeah, it's not an article anymore. They could have deleted it, or they could have just deleted the article, and they're going to make a new one, right? Who knows? Who knows? Jumi's up 10%, Mars up 10 or up 60%. Markets are still going. Let's go. Let's go. Screw the bears. Where is Howard? Where is Robbie? Nowhere to be found because they are not fair. Don't let them influence your decision making, guys. Make your own decisions. Seeing the whole portfolio green might be the greatest feeling ever. I know, right? How awesome is it to have all of your positions double digit in the green? I know most of you are in the same boat as I am. Mara, Jumia, everything, man. It's been such easy buys and obvious buys, but the markets have been so damn fearful that it's like, it's like so indecisive. But we're finally getting the day of reckoning. We knew it was going to come. Look at Myers. Look at that spike up right here. Myers is so funny. He doesn't care what the markets do at all. SENS up 10%. Congrats to the SENS king. Y'all have been through hell, almost as much hell as Bngo fam. Almost as much. And Innovo up. Resonant. Skills doing very well. Everything is pushing with the markets basically except Bionano. I would not be surprised if Bionano starts correcting in the upwards direction. We got 9 million shares by... how much good news do we need? Oh, man. Oh, I don't know if it's just market manipulation or just a ton of panic sellers. It's probably a combination of both, but it takes so much good news for Bionano to get any movement whatsoever. Since 1569, before that, everything was good, and then they were like, nope, time to short, dump it. Boganoff reference. Are we mooning? The start of a mooning is happening. Yes, maybe. I mean, we are mooning. Yes, we're up 17%. Yes, we are doing pretty damn well. But, I mean, we're the only reason you're doing well right now. You know, you may be asking, oh, you're up 17% today. You're still down 50% overall. No, my friend. I've been averaging down. I'm barely down on Bionano now. What am I down now? What's my overall? I'm only down 8%. On Bionano right now, 8%. If you average down, re-enter lower, you're doing pretty damn well, my friends. That's why I always emphasize sell on the rips, buy on the dips. Buy on the dips, hold through if you don't know what you're doing. Just buy good companies, hold through. Up 17% right now, we're pushing. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see some celebratory comments. Come on, we're up 17% right now. We're pushing. We're trying to get up. We just made a new higher high. Higher high is happening. This could be it. Let's go. Come on. Let's do it. 45 million volume. Look at this volume. Look at this. It's consistently high. Look at this. 41. What is it? 46 million. 46 million volume. Oh man, do I need to turn the volume down since I'm shouting? Is there any ear rape going on right now? Do I need to turn this down a little bit? I'll turn it down a little bit. Let's go. Yeah. Push it. Let's go, EJ. Come on, let's do it. 17%, 18% right now almost. Let's go. Come on, a little more. Rockets, yes, rockets in the chat. I love it. Let's check the SAR. All right, we got that bullish flip on the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. We need to break out. What is that? 537, 530s to get the 5 minute flip. On the 1 minute, we're looking great though. We're looking amazing. Let's check the Bollinger Bands, see how overextended we are. All right, we're not even overextended. We have plenty of room to go. Let's check the RSI. We're not even overbought yet. We got plenty of room to go there. All right, here we go. This could be it. This could be the start. This could be it. Did anyone send me the link for the article yet? Does anyone want to send me the link? Look at level 2 data. I don't like that. All right, bulls are still barely winning. I thought the bears were the bulls are winning right now. Bears are almost beating us though. Serious fighting going on right now though. Yeah, I mean serious fighting. Yeah. Aggressive negotiations. Revenge of the Sith. Not Revenge of the Sith. I always say Revenge of the Sith because it's the best. Attack of the Clones. Anakin. Reference. Aggressive negotiations are going down right now. Come on, bulls. Let's go. Come on. Markets are still going. This is what we love to see. The Dow is down. S&P is down. You know what? Let's check the pro shares here. UVXY down 13%. Amazing. Pro shares. Other pro shares 5%. SRTY, SQQQ all down big. SPY up pretty nicely. Dow Jones. This is what we want. We want the NASDAQ first, then the S&P. Actually, no, we want the Russell 2000, then the NASDAQ, then the S&P, then the Dow. And the highest is up the most, and then the lowest is down the most. That's what we want, and that's what we have today. That is a great sign for high growth. That's what that means. Great sign. Absolutely great sign. God, I knew it. I mean, did I not call it? I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see if Bionano does what I think it's going to do. If the Nasdaq closes above where it is right now, Bionano will close the day above 20%. I really believe. I think there's a very high chance of that happening. I could easily be wrong. We could get a headwind. Market manipulation could not be done with. It looks like market manipulation is not even close to being done. We literally got rejected right at 558, which seems to be the magic number that everyone gets in at. You know, oh, wonder why? How did the institutions get at 558? They have the high ground. All right. They have the high ground. We do not have the high ground. We are Anakin and we're getting killed. In the end, actually, we win because Anakin kills the Emperor, right? But 558, that's where they got it. And literally perfectly timed it, 2x right there. We're going to know if they sold out in a couple days. We're going to be able to know because the 13F SEC filing rule, the due date for 13Fs, for sales and buys in the first quarter. The due date is today or Monday. I think it's today. Someone said it was Monday. I think 45 days is today. So, yes, let's check Bionano's 1 minute chart, though. Oh, man, here we go. Here we go. Big ass modified cup and handle right here, potentially. God, why does no one care about the news? No one looks at the news for Bionano, I swear. We've got 9 million. Guys, if you're just getting in right now, 9 million shares added by Vanguard this morning. Not okay, the transaction day is not indicative of the file day. Yes, it's blah, blah, yada, yada. You've heard the spiel. 9 million shares, 558. Institutional ownership is up 1% today alone. It's more than tripled in the last few weeks. We were at 3% at one point, 4% institutional ownership. We're now at 11.33%. Yes, this is good news. Yes, you better be damn sure this is good news. Oh, institutions don't like it. Oh, I don't want to invest. We have high institutional ownership now. 10% is pretty high. We're now at 11%. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking good, man. Let's check the Nasdaq's technicals here. Let me check the watch list here, the broader markets watch list. All right. We've got plenty of room to go. Do you guys remember when I was saying when we were breaking out above this, I said there is no significant resistance levels? I also said because we have gone too far too fast in the downward direction that we are likely to see some pushing. We're getting that right now. I would not be surprised if at the lowest we close the day at 13.3K, because I would consider this a pretty validated confirmation of the breakout. We've got what? How many hourly closes do we have above it right now? Like 2? Okay, 1, almost 2 hourly closes above this level. So we're looking good. Let's check the confirmation signs. Let's check the, okay, wow, we got the 4 hourly is not, we don't have anything there. Oh, we're about to get rejected by the Supertrend. So there are some resistance levels here, but they're just indicators. There's not like a price action trend line resistance. So these are big, but not really. You know, I mean, yes, they're going to be big, but there's not any really level of congruency here. You know, I mean, besides the Fibonacci, there is a little bit. Once we get up to like the 38.2% retracement, we're going to be in trouble there. Then we're probably going to get rejected there. But we got plenty of room to go. That's like a couple percentage points away, right? So we got room to run right now. We at least, the next level of resistance that's at all significant is going to be at 13.38K for the NASDAQ. And right now we're at 13.34. So we've got some room. We've got about, what, another half of a percentage point, maybe a little less than that to run before we get rejected potentially, before we see some significant, and not even, like somewhat significant resistance. Bionano bleeding a little bit, still up 16%. JMIA is still going, man. JMIA is too good. God, I really wish I added on this one. I knew this was an easy buy, but Bionano was getting hit harder. I added more there. I tried to add. I had several buy limit orders. Did not get them filled, though. 17% right now. 17.5% for Bionano. Rip Robbie's short position. let me pin that. I'm pinning that right now. Come on, update. Go to the bottom. Go to the bottom. Come on, hurry up. I want to pin that. It's so funny. Rip Robbie's short positions. Come on. They added roughly 3 million shares to their position. Yes, sir. I sent you the email. Okay, I'll check it. Here we go. You got me a link finally? Yes, thank you so much, my friend. All right, here we go. This is it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here it is. Oh, wow. Okay, so they definitely deleted this. Wow, look at that. They deleted 2 of them. Wow, weird. Okay, so Bionano stop price target cut to $10 from $14 at Maxim Group, and you can't click on it. I'm clicking right now. You cannot click on it. It's gray. If you were, look, this is a hyperlink. The hyperlink comes up right there. No hyperlink for this one. They deleted it. Why did they delete this? Is it because they were stupid and they made a mistake? Is it because they're just going to redo the article and they made a mistake and, you know, they're going to come out today and downgrade the price? Or maybe. Either one is fine, right? We don't know. That could be very bullish, though. I mean, how bullish is... I mean, imagine them cutting the price target and then realizing they're idiots, and the price goes up 25% at highs, and now we're up 16%, and then they're like, yeah, we didn't actually watch the earnings report, really. Yeah, we're going to change our opinion. That would be so good, wouldn't it? Having a bear convert to being bullish. Thank you so much for sending me the link, my friend. So many people did not send me the link, which is fine. Thank you, though. Thank you. I appreciate that. Legend. Marcus is a legend. Nasdaq is still going up, man. I love it. JMIA 11%, Mara 12 or 16. Sorry, 12. Microvision 10%. SENS 10%. SOS 8%. Zomedica only 6%. Wow. I'm surprised Zomedica is not going more. This is a potential trade right now, honestly. Typically, when the markets go up like this, Zome is up double digits easily. Skills 10%. The high growth sector is coming back. There will be no bears today saying, "Oh, high growth is done. We're going to get market crash tomorrow." That's what they were saying yesterday and all this week. Not today. All it takes is one green day, and they're all gone. They only say they're crap when it's red. It's the worst thing. It's why I can't take them seriously. I like what Bionano is doing. We're consolidating a little bit. On the 1 minute chart, let me draw up a bit of a bull flag here. We have a very small little bull flag action going on here. A little bit of a descending wedge. End of day price prediction. If the NASDAQ closes like it is, I will say 525. 525 or 520. Easily, if not way higher than that. I want to say higher than that, honestly, but there is no reason why we shouldn't. Oh, whoa! Right when I said that, did you guys just pump the stock instantly? Do you guys have trading bots set up somehow? Right when I say something bullish, you just boom. No, of course not. But that was nice, man. That was really nice. Keep it going. Let's check how overextended we are. We have been pushing in the last, like, microscopically. We're not overextended at all on the 5 minute. We're actually closer to the 21 SMA on the 1 minute than the outside band there. RSI, we're looking a little bit overbought on the 60. 60, not overbought yet. Good. This is what you want to see right here. Forming higher highs, or not even, it's just not going crazily to the downside on the ADL. This is the accumulation distribution line. This is basically just volume, supply, and demand stuff right here. We need this to go higher, though. We need this to go higher. We need to confirm that we're actually getting a legitimate push for by volume here. Yeah, my bot responds only to what you say. It's too funny. Sundial. TD Ameritrade gets Newswire information for free. What was I gonna say? Sundial. I can check Sundial real quick. Let's see what Sundial's doing. 3%. Yeah, finally moving. Wow, I'm surprised the wheat stocks aren't doing anything today. The wheat stocks are such a bargain right now. Even right now. I mean, short term you may be down, but the cannabis sector, you already know where it's going long term. Everything is still going. Wow, we're going to get a harsh rejection pretty soon, though, on the NASDAQ. Let me see. Or we're going to just break through. I wouldn't be surprised if we just break through, because that can definitely happen. Yeah, we still have plenty of room, though. We still have plenty of room. The next resistance that I'm really seeing is that 2-hourly Supertrend at 13.38K. We still got a while to go. Let me see if there's a moving average here, if there's anything. Okay, that's kind of scary. Well, that's only the 2 minute chart, though, so I'm not really that scared. We are going to see a little bit of resistance off that 21 SMA on the 2-hourly. I'm not scared of that, really, because it's a 2-hourly. It's like, well, yeah, but, 4-hourly and the daily are going to be the most important when it comes to the bands, in my view. Bionano's gone. Here we go. Let's check her out. Bionano, 18%. We're pushing. Cup and handle. Kind of like a modified one. Yeah, actually, no, not really. If the cup and handle starts right here, roughly, you got a cup and handle there. Yeah, you got a cup and handle. Absolutely. Let's drop the price target for that. And of course, it's the 1 minute chart. Okay, it's not going to be that great. But let's see, right about right here, I would say, all the way down to the lowest low, which is 498. All right, this is the price target. 538, roughly. 538. That's what we're looking at. Let me move that over here so we don't have to get in the way. Short interest? Whoa, short interest. Let me see. It didn't update. What do you mean? It didn't update. Should I restart Webull, the application Webull? It didn't update on Webull, at least. 4/15 is the last time it updated. April 15th. On Fintel.io, I can check it. Let's see it, but they don't do short interest. They don't do short interest on Fintel.io. You have to pay for it. You can only do they only say the short volume. I mean, we can check Finviz. Finviz might have something. Let's check that. Short volume, 11%. That's not crazy. Okay. I sent you another link, Brandon. All right. Here we go. Okay, let me do this at the same time. Let me look at Finviz. I doubt Finviz would update it, honestly, because they just don't update very much. 11%. Is that the same? I think that is the same, isn't it? All right, I'll copy and paste it. Hopefully it works. Okay, here we go. Lowered the price target to $12 from $12.75. Why? These people are retarded. Why would you? I know it's only a little bit and it doesn't matter. The analysts don't know crap, but I just don't understand what these people are thinking. The earnings report was great. Retarded. All right. Yeah, no, I don't think it is. This new? Is this different? I don't remember what the short volume ratio was before this. Is this new? Tell me. It hasn't updated though. Short volume, short interest on Webull has not updated. Yeah, the 15th of April. Where are you guys seeing the updated short interest? Where are you seeing it? Send me it. Tell me where. We've checked FinViz. We've checked Fintel. We've checked Webull. It doesn't logically make sense. It does not make logically sense whatsoever. It does not. It's not coherent. The analyst price charts don't mean anything. You guys realize this, right? You guys realize the analyst price charts mean zero. Literally zero. I pay no attention to the analyst price charts. Do not pay attention to them. Do not pay attention to them. Okay, good. We just got a confirmation. Good. Wick down, and we got support. We should be setting. There should be some buy limits. Hopefully around 519. Do we have any? Okay, good. This is good. All right, we need to. This is good. I really like what we're seeing for Bionano. We need to close the day right where we are or higher, 520s or even 519, 518. I'll take it. Just close the day above 520s ish, and I will be very happy. It will be very bullish for next week. My price target is like 500. Yes, it is, honestly. Like down the line, easily 500. It will take all in due time, my friends, all in due time. Even if that guy downgraded it a little bit, they will change their mind after the summer. That is exactly right. They take down the price target, so if said side doesn't reach the original target, the company's name won't be tainted. Yes, they do. You are right. Pussy move by the analysts, honestly. That's exactly right. It's so ironic that they downgraded it in the pre-market today, right? 740 they downgraded right about the open, and then we skyrocketed. Yesterday we were up like what, 10% after hours. Now we're up what, 17%. And that's without the NASDAQ helping us. The NASDAQ really has not contributed to this run, really. If the NASDAQ were to go down, it probably would have hurt it. But the NASDAQ, we ran without the NASDAQ this morning. We've been going down with the NASDAQ going up, which is why I'm so damn bullish for the short term. Also add in the fact that the earnings report was just so damn amazing. You got a very strong case for adding a ton of shares like I have. I've added, what, 200... I've added 250 shares as of now, as of today, I believe. I'll add more if we continue dipping. I have 400 buying power right now. I'll add more. I'm serious. If we see $4, $5 again, I will add more. I think there's a high chance that I shouldn't say a high chance. I think there's a fair chance that Bionano never sees $4 again if we close the day above 520 right now. Many contingencies. Inflation is coming. That's where Mara comes in, my friend. Got to get in on Mara. Up 19% right now. Wow. Screw all the people. This is just an FU for all the people that were saying Mara was a horrible company. Oh, you're down. You caught a falling knife, Brandon. Oh, it's so much shit. Like, God, man, the Bears have such a short-term outlook. And I know most of the people watching right now, probably all of them, none of the Bears are watching right now. They give up. The Bears are crying right now. The Bears are in an alley, in a ditch, face down right now at this point, honestly. 19% for Mara. JMIA up 12%. Bionano 17% right now. We need to hold. Come on. The price target is here based on this cup and handle on the 1 minute chart. Come on. Hopefully we see rotation again to tech, growth, innovation sector. Yes. Today we are. At least today there's a rotation. We'll see if it continues. I think it will. It's inevitable. I don't know if it's going to be the next week. I don't know if it's going to take another month to get the sector rotation, but it will happen. It will 100% happen. The market it has mood swings, right? Sometimes it likes tech, sometimes it likes recovery. It's just high growth will come again. We haven't got a high growth. The market has not liked high growth consistently since February 16th. That's almost 3 months exactly from now. It's time for a rotation back. I don't think Mara does mine Ether. I think they're just Bitcoin. I think so. What does the horizontal line you drew mean? This right here. So this is the price target, and this is not a very concrete price target, but this is the price target based on this cup and handle formation. We have a modified cup and handle starting right here, going like this, and then here's the handle, and then we had a breakout, and we are confirming this the previous level of resistance as the new support, which is very nice. I'd really like to see that. Also, we need to hold above 518 and 520. But that is what that horizontal line means. So basically, what you do is you just measure from the resistance to the lowest point, move it to the breakout. I actually just made a video on the cup and handle explaining that, my friend. Can you hear Robbie singing "I Will Survive" to our chat room? Oh man. Robbie is taking Robbie, oh my god, I hate how Robbie literally, he only comes in the chats and only says stuff when Bngo is down. It's such a low thing to do, man. Like, Robbie, my respect, if he's watching right now, if you're watching, my respect for you will increase so much. Just call it both ways. Just admit you're wrong today. Admit it. Man, and he said, hey, remember, Robbie said we're going to $3 by May 21st. He also said that he's going to give me $1,000 if Bionano does not hit $3 flat on May 21st. And there are screenshots. I did not take a screenshot of that, but plenty of people did, or at least they said they did. So Robbie is in the cave with the Hobbit right now. He'll be back soon. Robbie is Gollum. Is Robbie Smeagol? Do you know in the Hobbit when Bilbo goes to one of the only good parts of the Hobbit is when they show Smeagol for the first 5 seconds and then the rest sucks? Is that going to be Robbie just in the cave? Unnatural long life with the ring, just trying to short everything and just failing, and then he dies at the end trying to short Bngo. Oh god, that's funny. That's funny. Robbie is on his bull account now. Yeah, honestly. Next time Robbie is here when we dipped from 20 to 16 before. Oh, I'm pinning that. You have earned a pin. That's the funniest thing I think I've heard all day. Next time Robbie is going to be here is when we dip from $20 a share to 16. And then he's going to disappear when we're up at 24 or whatever it is. That's too funny. Oh my gosh, I'm pinning that. Oh man, that's too funny. That is too funny, man. Let's check the Fintel.io institutional ownership here, see if we got any more updates here. Nope. Nothing. I love what Bionano is doing right now. Up 18%. We need to close the day in the 520s. This is what I've been saying the whole time. I'm going to say it like 7 times. 7 days. Bet in 7 days he never shows his face again. Honestly. I'm going to have a beer. Cheers, guy. All right, Usandi. I know we've been going on forever, but this is such an exciting stream. I feel like if there's one stream that we could stream, like a lot of time. How long have we been going now? Like, what? 1 hour, 2 hours, near 2 hours at this point? This is going to be the one. I mean, Bngo is mooning. Come on, how can we not stream for a while? I was going to put a suit on for today because it was good luck, but I didn't have time. I was late. I was like a minute late on starting the stream anyway, so I didn't put it on. I was going to, though. I'm going to. Should I always wear a suit from now on? I like wearing a suit, honestly. Kind of, but it takes time, so I'm not going to wear a suit every time. I'll guarantee you that, but... Brandon, can you take a quick look at BIOL? Of course, my friend. BIOL, congratulations. Last I checked, it was up 30% at high today. Let's check the resistance. Let's do a quick TA on BIOL here. So we had this nice falling wedge bullish chart pattern, and then we got, look at this gap up. Oh, we got a gap to fill. Oh man. Okay, if you guys like the gap to fill thing, that's great. But let me tell you something, guys. On the 4-hourly chart, there are no gaps. Do you know how gaps originate? Because the daily chart doesn't take into account the pre-market and after hours. The whole synthesis is based on, oh, there's not enough volume in the pre-market or after hours to sustain it. Well, you're obviously sustaining it now. Anyways, yeah, what you want to see for BIOL is a bounce off of this level of resistance, which is actually really sweet. This is actually an entry point for BIOL right now, believe it or not. But I didn't look at the earnings report yet. I have not analyzed it. And you also have the reverse split, the share dilution, and a ton of other esoteric, hidden, subtle stuff in the and a huge filing, the SEC filing on that whole thing. So this is a risky one. Short-term swing trade, buy here, sell here. Potentially. Please know what you're doing if you're going to do that, though. The suit pumps the stock, honestly. Honestly, it does, though. It does. 19%. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. Let's go, man. This is so fun. This is the funnest. This is the most fun I've had in a while on the streams, man. Such a great day. Such a great day, man. And the best part of it, we don't even see Robbie. We don't even see him. And if we did, if he wanted to be respectful and come on here and admit his wrongs, that would be even better. But he doesn't, because the Bears are not fair like that. The Bears are not respectful or honorable people. They just are. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. 20% now. 20.5% for Bionano. 530. We're in the 530s. Are we going to get rejected here? This is the previous high. Can we get this? Can we form this as the new support? Robbie will be so broke. So you're not getting your 1,000. Honestly, so true. I'm gonna draw this up. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line of support here, right about right here. Actually, you know what? Let me do a rectangle because we have several levels right here. We have several touch points right in there. So hopefully we can start forming higher highs and higher lows. And if we do dip, hopefully we can confirm this is new support. Man, this is nice. This is nice. The NASDAQ is going. Finally, the NASDAQ is kind of helping Bngo push a little bit. Congratulations, anyone. If anyone's been day trading this with me, or please make your own decisions. Don't do what I do. But obviously, we've been adding how many shares did I add today? Like 250. We added 250 shares. Most of them were below 518. If you want to sell, this is your chance to sell. For everyone who's holding Bionano, sell now if you're going to be one of those people that doesn't know what they're doing, not an experienced trader, or not prepared to see dippage and stomach it. Watch the videos, hold, put your phone off, watch the Lord of the Rings. We're gonna get red in the future, but it's gonna be a rough, rocky uptrend all the way up to making us millionaires, in my opinion. If Optical Genome Mapping does what we know it is, that's what it will do. If you have a significant amount of shares and are prepared to hold this for multiple years, like I am. I mean, I'm talking 5 years, decades, maybe. Of course, I'm gonna be selling some at some points. I'm not like restricting myself never to sell Bngo, but oh my gosh, it's time. It's time. Look at the volume. How much volume do I have? 50 million yet? Oh my gosh, we have 57 million. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Congratulations, everyone who did not panic sell yesterday. Oh, so awesome. So Rip Robbie. I want to get some Rip Robbie's portfolio in the chat right now. He's short and put. He's got shorts and puts on Bionano. Jesus. Oh man, my prayers go out to that guy. Oh my gosh. Blast off. Yep, we're up. What are we up now? 22% now? Oh man. What is the least amount of shares you will hold possibly? Honestly, I've actually been thinking about not even touching my shares for a year just so I can get the capital gains benefits. Also, if the bull market continues for a year, there's not much reason in trying to time it. Sometimes you're going to get clear overextension times where you can sell on the rips, buy on the dips. I've been thinking of actually, I've been contemplating, I'm still thinking about this, just holding holding all my shares for more than a year to get those tax benefits. Because right now, I don't think there's much benefit in and selling on the dips and buying on the rips, or other way around, but selling on the rips, buying on the dips, because we're so damn undervalued. The fundamentals are so weird, and the stock price moves so weirdly. It's so hard to time stuff. Because for today, for example, I've been saying the NASDAQ, we've been going down with the NASDAQ was going up, NASDAQ Bngo goes down. So I got like, what the hell? It's like, what's going on here? Do I buy or sell? You don't know. That's why just buy on the dips, sell on the rips, or just buy on the dips and just hold. So I don't know. We'll see. That's a long answer. Dude, in 5 years, we'll be laughing at what idiots we were questioning whether to add at 520 or 525. Yes, exactly, Ivan. That's exactly right. It's better to get in now short term and be down short term, right? Than miss the boat completely and look back in 5 years and be like, man, I wish I bought there. I don't care when I bought. It's cheap compared to what it is now, right? Where's Dr. Pepper at? Nowhere. Robbie portfolio is looking mad low. Oh my gosh, it is. It is. All right, this is what we want from Bngo right now. We want a confirmation of this as the new support. That's what we want. Do we have any perfect level of congruencies with the support? We don't. Come on, go sideways. We want that 1 minute 21 SMA on the 1 minute chart. Come up, bounce us next leg higher. Let's go. Higher highs and higher lows. Come on, boys. Come on, we can do it. Do not sell. We're squeezing this thing to the moon. No, not seriously. Do make your own decision, but I'm holding. I want this to squeeze to the moon. I think we can. I think we should be up way more than 20% today. We should be up 50% today. I'm not kidding. I mean that. Earnings report was fantastic. Single nucleotide variation. If we got that, we would be worth $10 billion market cap at least. Or it should be, at least I should say. All right, here we go. We should be getting support here. Come on, we need support. We need to bounce off this, and we need a higher high. We need to break 542, the previous high. Come on. Bounce off this. We need to break it. We need to break. Come on. Brandon is like a sports commentator, except it's for Bngo. Oh man, you're too funny. Y'all are too funny, man. I love how everyone in here is a comedian. I love it. I love it. Dre stream today, YOLO. YOLO in, boys. YOLO in. It's time to YOLO in. If you're gonna YOLO in on a stock, Bngo might as well be the one. It's HODL for all of us. HODL, boys. Good thing I sold today high and bought back in low. One of these days, hey man, if you're going to sell out completely on the rips for Bionano, that's fine. I just want to tell you something. I'm not telling you you're wrong. I've done that strategy plenty of times. I made plenty of money doing that. But in the old days, if you would have done that, you would have been killed. You would have missed out on hundreds of percentages in profit. That's what happened to me. That's what happened to me all the way back here when I first invested in Bionano. I'm just telling you, the optical genome mapping and the fundamentals, the news is what's going to eventually. The news and fundamentals is what's going to determine the stock price. Eventually, I don't know when, but right now it's looking damn good. We just got a perfect confirmation of the support. Bouncing off the support right now. Let's go. Let's check the other stuff. Mara's still up 20%. God damn, it's such a good day. It's such a good day. Let's check the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is the one thing that can screw all this up. Yeah, we want the NASDAQ to go sideways now. Chill out. NASDAQ, you need to chill out for the rest of the day. I want you to go up next week. Don't hit that resistance level. I don't want to get rejected today and have to confirm, do the stressful process of confirming another support. I want you to go sideways. Consolidate the rest of the day, please. We can get a squeeze. We can get such a good Bionano squeeze if we didn't have day traders right now. Oh my gosh. Do you know how high we should be going right now? Oh my God. Oh man. I'm serious when I say we should be up 50% right now. Or maybe not should, but we certainly could if no one would sell and everyone would just chill out and realize the company that they're investing in and do their damn due diligence. We could be up 50% right now easily. We could end the day 50% up. Who knows? Who the hell knows? We should be. Nucleotide, single nucleotide detection. No one is paying attention to that. SENS 9%, skills 12% still pushing. Microvision, Nano Dimension both consolidating. Sunday until the cannabis side. Look at this, okay. This is what happens when the high growth sector comes back in. When the high cap or not high cap, low cap tech stocks, high growth, potential innovation, Bionano, JMIA, Nano Dimension, Microvision, all the stocks that we are invested in, basically all of my portfolio. When these stocks get a bounce, what happens? People take money from the other sectors like the cannabis sector, which is what has happened right now, and the high growth. I guarantee, or not the high growth, the low growth. If we go to the high growth sector right here, Pinterest, okay, Pinterest is actually doing pretty damn well. Okay, never mind. DraftKings is doing pretty well too. But you get my point, right? If we go up to Twitter here, I bet Twitter and them are not doing that good today. Right here, so they're doing good today. But look, the money is gonna cycle from here into these stocks, and that's what's happening right now, I believe, at least a little bit. Here we go. We're trying to bounce again. Come on, we need a higher high here. Come on now, come on now. A little bit of weakness in the price action. We had to bounce off this level twice now. We do need to form a higher high pretty soon. Or honestly, at the end of the day, honestly, we're at the 1 minute chart here, and also, I just noticed this. We also have a potential cup and handle forming, a huge ass cup and handle on the 1 minute, right? If we look at the 5 minute, it'll be a little easier to see. Look at that. That's an obvious cup and handle right here. But we need to keep the push. We need to hit 558, then the handle price target. Let's draw up a price target based on that, right? Oh yeah, by the way, our price target hit perfectly on the 1 minute chart. This is why technical analysis is so good, right? The breakout point was right here. We literally hit that price target almost perfectly, and now we're consolidating, man. Technical analysis, you can say it's voodoo, but it works a lot of the time, man. I guarantee you. So basically, the price target, conservative price target, if we were to break out of a handle, that would roughly be like right here, right? Handle maybe, I don't know, something like that. Let's go to the 5 minute chart so I can actually see it here. Okay, let's try the 1 hourly. All right, so the price target would be all the way up at $6, which is actually a perfect level of congruency, almost with that natural buy sell limit order, sell limit wall. It's going to be at every whole number. So I'm going to leave that there, but that remember that price target, I'm not making that price target. That is only if we actually see a cup and handle here. That's only if that happens. You bought shares yesterday and up 2K already. Well done. Well done, my friend. I did as well. I nearly doubled my position yesterday. All right, so this is a great question. Brandon, how do you understand the technicals? This is an amazing question, my friend. I've got just a thing for you. I've got just a thing for you, and actually made a video today and scheduled a video today about the EMAs. But if you go to the homepage or playlist, right? Auspicious Technical Analysis, Bollinger Bands, SAR, RSI, Cup and Handle. They don't get any views, but they should. They are lessons and information that I've learned over a long time. A lot of suffering has been able to bestow me with the skills to being able to teach you what these indicators mean. The cup and handle pattern, right? The price target that we just drew up, right? If you don't understand how to do that, watch that video. You will understand. I promise you. I promise you. It's very simple stuff. You will understand basics and pretty advanced technical analysis just going through that playlist. And it's not even done yet. Of course, we got thousands of indicators to go through. There's literally thousands of indicators, okay? We're not going to go over all of them, but I'm going to have a lot of them in the tutorial. Anyways, quick plug right there. I snagged that market close, sold GM to do it. Very smart move, my friend, indeed. So it looks like everything is kind of cooling down a little bit. And as, yeah, a little bit of a flash crash, freak out. Not really a flash crash, but you know what I mean. Quick little freak out. Everyone kind of took profits there. Everything was really pushing really well. Mara is cooling down. June is cooling down. Bngo is going. Everything's going down right now. I don't think the markets, the Nasdaq is at. I don't think we hit. You know, we didn't hit 13.380, so we shouldn't really be seeing a harsh rejection right now. If anything, we should see a small. Dip, if not, you know, nothing crazy, because there's not any significant levels of resistance really that I'm seeing here. I mean, what was that one we saw, the SMA on the 2 hourly? Yeah, we're getting rejected roughly at that 21 SMA on the 2 hourly. So yeah, yes, we could get rejected there, but I want to show you guys something. We've got plenty of room to go still. We don't have any trend line resistance levels. And also I want to talk about the let's talk about the Nasdaq here, the ascending level, right? We had 2 daily closes below the ascending level, gapped up the next day, right? That's weird price action, but we've been talking about that as a potential scenario for a long time, because we had it here and basically here. This is why you can't freak out. This is why you have to be aware of false breakdowns. The number one thing that probably hurts new traders that are learning a lot, they want to learn it, false breakdowns, because they're so damn random and hard to predict, and they make you sell. I mean, this is a sell signal. When you close it, you could have sold low here, missed out on today's crazy gains. I mean, can you imagine doing that? That's what a lot of people did, because there's always going to be beginners in the markets. Bionano 527. We need to close the day. We've already said this 1,000 times. We need to close the day above 520, though. I'll be very happy if we do. All right, so it looks like we're trying to confirm the breakdown below this previous level of support and resistance. This is a pretty validated level. Yeah, we've got several touch points on this. So yeah, it looks like we are about to retest about 518 right here. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully this is a false breakdown. We'll see. Bngo number 3 in volume. Are you serious? Wait, are we really number 3 in volume? Let me see if I can find the widget that says the volume here. Okay, so top gainers. Let me maximize this. We're on the top gainers list, boys. We're on the top gainers list. Let's go, man. And let's categorize it. Oh my gosh, we're number 1 on volume, man. We are number 1. No, we're number 1 based on this, I think. Yeah, we're number 1. Bionano is number 1 in volume today so far. 62 million. This could be it. This could be it. If it closes below 520, is it bad? Yes, I will say. This is insane. Yes, it is. That's honestly a better word. It's not good. It's not great. This is insane. We have number 1 volume today. What we need now, all right, now this is a little bit irrelevant. Feel free to click off, I guess, but how do we sustain the volume, right? We finally got the day we went up. How do we sustain the volume? How do we ensure the people that are trading and you know, buying Bngo or selling it stay and keep trading it or hold? This is how you do it. And this is you may call me out here and be like, Brandon, you're biased. This is for your own personal gain. That is true, but it's also not. I want Bionano's interest to stay this high. What we have to do is pump this, not only the channel. I mean, yeah, pump the channel, that's fine, right? But we have to pump this video. Why Bngo is my largest holding? Full Bngo DD. 2 hours, timestamps. I nearly killed myself for this one. All my brain cells. I'm still recovering from this, believe it or not. This literally killed me. We need this video to blow up. I don't know. If you want to share it, like it, comment, spam, whatever you can do. Reddit, stock twits, social media, whatever you can do. That is how we increase the stock price and interest and volume and sustain the volume as to what it is right now. Right now we got 62 million of volume. How do we sustain that? We gotta, and not even my channel, we gotta blow up the Bionano subreddits and YouTube channels. All the channels, not my channel, everyone's Bionano channel, every Bionano video. We gotta pump them. We gotta get the word out that Bionano is a damn good company, and we gotta get the word out that the company's technology is something worth looking into, because it's damn innovative and it's damn compelling. All right, it's time. It's time to potentially return. It's the return of the king. All right, Bionano is the king. It's the return of the king. Lord of the Rings, right? I set my sell limit at 545, taking my money and running low. Might buy back in next week with profits, setting my stop to 520. Wow. All right, my friend. That just hurts my soul that you're going to do that. My friend, you could play it perfectly right, but let me tell you something, buddy. I'm sure you don't know this, because if you're a short-term trader selling all my shares, all right, you should not be selling all your shares of Bionano, in my opinion. It's fine if you do. You're doing great. You're doing great, my friend. But in the early days, people said the exact same thing, and I did your move. And what happened? I sold at 5. It went to 15 in the next few days. Why? Because Bionano's technology, and it's a news-driven company. Its technology is going to determine the stock price. The fundamentals are impossible to predict when people start caring about them. The institutions, the whales. Can you predict when the whales are going to get in? No, they're going to get in though. If you do your due diligence, you'll know that. I have a whole section in the due diligence, a 70-page document as to why the institutions are going to be loading up. So I recommend not doing that. If you're going to sell, you know, you do whatever you want to do, but I recommend selling only half of your shares, if not a little less than that, if you're going to sell. I'm not selling any of mine right now. Not selling anything. No, sir. God, the volume is so crazy today. What are we at? Are we at 70 million yet? Oh, okay, 63 million. Kind of cooling down right now. Okay, I got to bring this up because we can't be streaming perpetually, because I know a lot of people are going to be getting bored at this point, but we have been going for like 2 hours. I don't know. We'll end the stream within 30 minutes, maybe way less than that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's check the markets though. You know what? Let's check the new. Let me see if we're missing any. Let me check Fintel. See if we got any more. I'm going to be checking this several times today, because I mean, at any point, I mean, we just saw 9 million shares were, you know, Vanguard updated. They added a ton of shares. Any of these can happen at any point, but right now there is nothing. Economic calendar, who cares? There's nothing crazy today. Let's check bond yields. Okay, still down. Good. We like to see that. We like to see it. Boom. So yeah, just to reiterate, you got to pump the Bngo channels, the Bngo subreddits. Here, let me go to the subreddit right now. Let me see how the subreddit is doing. We got to pump the Bngo news. We're not trying to be a pump and dump. We're just trying to increase the interest of Bionano. That's all we're trying to do. It's a good cause. No way I'm selling. No, I'm not selling, man. No way I'm selling. You sell if you want to. Don't get mad at me until we, don't get mad at me if, what do you call it? Don't get mad if we go red tomorrow, because it's your choice to hold, not mine. I'm holding. Just because I'm holding doesn't mean I'm going to be right. Yes, I think we're going to, you know, next week, yes, I think it's more bullish, especially if we close the day above 520. Let me go over the whole 520 thing again real quick. So, basically, we need to hold above 520 for a couple reasons. Number one reason is that we got, oh man, I love when we get a little push up right here. All right, anyways, daily chart here. We need to close above 520, because that is roughly where this level of crucial resistance is. We're way past the decent level of resistance, but we've got several touch points here going back as far as early January, right? 7th of January to be exact. We need to hold above that level to ensure that we are in, you know, we got some reversal signs. Also, talking a little bit about the reversal signs, we'll be talking about this in the technical analysis for today, but we got the 2 hourly flip. We have everything. We have the 2 hourly flip. The 4 hourly we do not, though. Oh my gosh, never mind, we do. We have both. Oh my gosh. All right, that's a buy signal. If you're selling right now, I don't know what the hell you're doing, because we just got one of the most important, I'm not trying to hype this top, but this is just truth. I legitimately thought we did not have this, but we do. We got the 4 hourly Supertrend flip. The last time we got this, all right, let's see here, 20% increase. The time before that, okay, so this was a false signal, kind of. The time before that, right, what is it? I don't know, 10-15% increase. When the stop price goes up, before the stop price goes up a ton, the Supertrend will flip 100% of the time. I usually throw around 75% of an accuracy measurement for the Supertrend. I think that's about accurate. About 70%, maybe 65%. Usually it's right. And that's a buy signal. Okay, don't mistake that. That means nothing but buy. When the Supertrend turns green, that is a buy signal. Buy signal. Buy. Buy. Need the stop to close above 552. That would be nice. I mean, let's see. Let me see if there's a crucial resistance about 552. There is a resistance with the 558 whole thing. Yes, there's a resistance about 558. 552. Not really. Not necessarily. Is there some EMA or moving average that you're seeing there? 510 is the 200-day EMA. If we don't close above 520, as long as we close above 510, I'm still bullish for next week. If we don't close above 510, then I'm scared. I'm going to be honest with you. I am scared if we don't close above. I'm not scared. I'm just not super bullish. You know, I'm still probably going to hold everything. Up 22% right now. Let's go. Markets are rebounding. It looks like Mars doing well. JMIA is just holding up like a champ. JMIA is not really moving much, just slow, consistent grind, which I actually hate because I only have one share. I already took profits on this. Moved him to Bngo, but I'm fine with it, right? Bngo is outperforming by double, right? Yeah, let me see here. Let me see some other indicators. We're about to get that daily MACD flip. RSI, we got plenty of room. Wow, we went all the way up to 43. That's bull. That is bull. We should not have gone up that much on the RSI. Let me check the 5-minute accumulated distribution line. Okay. There's nothing really crazy here that I'm seeing. Nothing crazy. All right. Let's check what else. Let's check. All right. Yeah. So basically, to reiterate, right, we need to close above 520s for me to be very bullish. And you know what? Tell you what, I might add shares before the day is over. I might not even be done adding shares. We have like basically no more buying power. I've been adding to Bngo this entire day, literally. Here's the thing, though. The NASDAQ can screw all this over, right? The NASDAQ is, let's see here. NASDAQ is back in the ascending channel. We're bad. This is now a support again as of now. We'll see if we close the day above it. Hopefully we do. We close above the Fibonacci level. The only thing that can screw us over is headwinds and inflation. JP, accommodative policy, right? As long as the jobs stay bad like they are, we got 266K jobs in April, right? They was expected to 1 million. Until we get great job numbers, I see no reason that the Fed is going to change the interest rates to being higher. Not saying that that's good, not saying that that's what they should do, but I think that is what they will do. That's what they will think is the best thing to do. So basically, the ape language is that we are likely short term to see a bullish NASDAQ, and I've been calling this. I've been calling this for a while. I finally have been proved right. Did the handle just form? Almost. Oh, not really. Not really. On the 5-minute chart, we still have a little while to go. We need to get to at least 549 to start forming the handle, I think. No, I wouldn't consider this. I mean, a little bit of one, kind of. I wouldn't say so, though. I wouldn't say so. This is more concrete. If we reach about 550, 558 that would be great if we get 558 exactly. Double top, then get the handle, then get the volume confirmed breakout, then get on the way to the price target, which is, what's the price target exactly? Like I think it's $6 exactly, right? Yeah, $6 exactly. Perfect level of congruence with that natural sell limit wall. If the NASDAQ holds, we can do it. We can go up 50% today if the NASDAQ holds. We can go up 30%. Anything is on the table right now. Literally everything in my portfolio green today feels good, man. I know it does. I know it does. And this is why it's so important. If you want to be the guy that hodls through everything, it's not a bad option. Missing just one day. Remember, the people who time the market, which I time the market all the time. I'm not saying trading is bad, but in the aggregate, I say investing is more auspicious than trading. I'll say that long term, because just missing one day like this, you missed all your profits. I mean, you missed so many profits today if you were expecting a down day today, like the Nasdaq's technicals would indicate, right? Nasdaq's technicals yesterday, bearish, pretty bearish. Not very, I wouldn't say very bearish, but pretty bearish. Markets irrational, holding great companies at good prices is probably the most auspicious thing you can do. Hodling through everything, selling a little bit on the rips, buying a little bit on the dips. That's my personal philosophy that I think may be just the best, because it's so easy to sell a little bit when you're in the green a ton and buy a little bit when you're in the red a ton. It's like, but no, people like to average in every single day, right? Throw $10 in even if it's green, right? I never understood that strategy, but it's fine if you do that. 538 right now, up 22% right now. Mara is bleeding a little bit. Let's check Bitcoin. How is it Bitcoin itself actually doing at 4%, man? I love it. Honestly, Mara should be up more than 18%, honestly. Bitcoin's up 4%. High growth is back. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this goes more based on what I'm seeing there. Dogecoin, slow down, Dogecoin. I don't want Dogecoin to do that good. No. It's a mix between trading and investing. That's certainly what I did. Did Vanguard just add shares? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. They added, I don't think they actually added 9 million shares because this is not a new position. And look at this, value change percentage-wise. So, yeah. But they did add millions of shares, yes. We might break 100 million in volume. I think you mean 100 million, not 100K, because we're already at 70 million almost. My friend read 66 million right now. We could get 100 million volume today. Guys, Bionano is #1 on volume today. Every trader is trading Bionano, or at least a lot of them. This is the hype stock for today. Not the hype stock, the hype play, right? I guarantee you what a lot of traders are seeing right now is what we are seeing. This big ass cup and handle may be happening, and if it's gonna happen, we have to push up a little more pretty quickly here if it's gonna happen, and they're gonna be trading based on that. So buy Doge as well. No, screw Doge. I'm just holding and adding every chance I get. Bngo is already 38% of my portfolio, but I really think this stock is golden. It's more than that. It's like 70% of my portfolio, maybe even more right now. Let's see, what is it? I think it's like 70. It's like 90%. Wait, so 70, 86. So 86, almost 9. Bionano is like 90% of my portfolio basically right now. That's awesome. That is so. Look how green it is today. 46%, 23%, 39%. So awesome. So beautiful. Love to see it. Love to see it, man. Jumi's up 39%, only one share. That's sad. Oh, man. We reversed a week of losses. Yeah, man, honestly, all of this week's losses are basically reversed. At least me. If you've been averaging down and strategically reallocating your losses from plays that are doing not that bad to plays that are being killed, like Bionano when we were dipping yesterday at 450. I don't know about you guys, but I added like I think I added like at least 300 to 400 to 500 shares yesterday when we were in the 450s and the 440s. Didn't we get wasn't 430 our low? I want to say 430 was our low. Yeah, 430 was our low. I added here. I remember adding and putting my buy limit in at 430 or 431. Yeah. You got to have conviction, man. All it takes is one day. You miss one day. For Bionano, you miss one day, 100% run, 220% run. You missed maybe the only run that you're going to see in the next few months or years, maybe even. Not years, okay? Maybe a year, maybe. For Bionano, I think we've got plenty more to come. All right, let's look at that 5-minute chart. Here we go. We are trying to make that cup and handle come to fruition here. This is a long play. Yes, sir. 70% here. Hell yes. 100K on February 16th. Did not sell a single share. Yeah. Yes, sir. I mean, that sucks. Obviously, you lost a ton of money, but if you've been strategically averaging down, you've made a lot of money. Or at least you've lost a lot less. I mean, if you want to sell now and get out now, if the market's too hard for you, of course, Marcus, you know what you're doing. I'm sure you're not going to do that. But if it's time for you to get out, if you don't like the markets, get out now. Get out now. This is your chance. I think we've got, you guys know, I think we have a ton of room to run. I'm not selling anything. I may sell Mara. Mara is the one thing that I may sell by the end of the day, a little bit, maybe. And here's the thing about Mara, it's got so much room to run. And I don't have a huge position, only 27 shares. I really wish I got 60 shares, but I don't have the buying power. Bionano, here's the thing, Bionano was getting killed even more than Mara yesterday when it was at 430, so I had to. They can't keep it down for long. I know the manipulators are trying their best. They have done their worst to Bionano since February 16th, since 1569, and we are fighting back right now. Congratulations to everyone who was held and added on the dip yesterday. Congratulations, everyone. Just started watching. What did you miss? You missed a lot. You missed a lot, my friend. I'm not going to lie. Institutional ownership is way higher. We have, 11% institutional ownership now. It was 10.5% this morning. Bionano's up 21%. We have a cup and handle here. I'm adding shares. I'm very bullish. NASDAQ is... Oh, NASDAQ. Okay, boys, I'm getting a little scared. NASDAQ is very close to the... What was the resistance that I was talking about? I forgot off the top of my head. It's one of the pretty important ones, though. NASDAQ is approaching a pretty important level of resistance. I think it is the 2-hourly super trend. Yep, here it is. Okay, you guys see what I mean? We are literally almost at that super trend on the 2-hourly, which is going to be... If we can get that flip, if we can push through this, I'm going to use the rest of my buying power, maybe. I've told you guys earlier, I've been talking about adding to Bngo. They missed earnings. What are you talking about? Bngo beat earnings. I'm sure you're not talking about Bngo. Bngo beat earnings. We had a loss of 4 cents per share as opposed to the estimate of 5 cents per share. So we're getting close to positive. So that's a beat. And then revenue, we beat it at 3.2. Estimate was 2.9 million. Oh, you're talking about Givo. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I didn't read the top. Yeah, I was scared that you were. Okay. Never mind. Tears of pain yesterday, but tears of joy today. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. Hold through, my friend. Just sold for 2K profits. Thank you so much to this channel. I'll continue to follow for possible re-entry. I've never made 2K in less than 24 hours. How can I donate? Oh, I feel like an asshole telling you how you can donate. But since you asked, I will tell you. Okay, so basically on the stream here, there's there's a couple different ways. The best way to donate is actually PayPal because, YouTube takes like a 35% cut of everything or like 45%. I don't know exactly. But basically, Super Chat right here. Show your support for Auspicious. That's one way. That's the simple way. Or the description. Check the description link for PayPal. That's the way. But please, I'm not trying to be a salesman. I'm not trying to tell you to do anything. Bngo slapped earnings, yes though. Yeah, and congratulations, Dan. Congratulations for making that much. That's amazing, Dan. Thank you so much. That's all. Thank you for giving me the chance to help you out. It was, yesterday was such a damn easy buy, wasn't it? And please make your own investing decisions. Obviously, make your own damn investing decisions, people. But it was an easy buy yesterday. Obvious buy. Sitting at 675 shares at 750, sadly. Add if you can. Strategically reallocate your portfolio if you have other stocks that are performing better than Bngo has historically compared to the last few months. Average down on Bngo when it dips. If you see 520 again, 519 today, or 510 today, you add if you're bullish next week like I am. 1,327 shares now for Bngo. That's my position right now. Looking forward to 2023. Been holding since last year. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, the people who held Bngo all this time before the run-up actually started, man, those are the OGs. I wish I was one of those people, but I'm not. I first invested in when it was a penny stock, and I didn't invest seriously. My first serious investment was like at $5. or $3, $5 or $3. Bngo will squeeze soon. We've got the volume to do it. We've got the company's fundamentals to do it. But do we have the right category and demographic, the right type of traders and investors? Probably not. I'm going to be honest with you. There's so many paper hands here that are selling right now. I mean, look, okay, Dan, it's always a great idea. Don't mistake me for telling you should not take profits right now. If you added yesterday and you're up 20% right now, 40%, 30%, a lot of people are up 40% right now because they added when BNG was down 6%, 7%. You would be up like 30, 40% right now if you did that. Taking profits is never a bad thing. For me, I'm trying to squeeze. I'm trying to do my part to get this thing to squeeze because the fundamental value of this is way higher. The fundamental value of the NASDAQ is way higher short term. I think we have a chance to squeeze. I think we have a chance to see 50% by the end of the day. I'm serious. Or we can close the day at 510. Of course, it's going to depend. We've got so much volume. There's weenie babies are ruining the market. Honestly, that is the truth. Weenie babies suck ass. Weenie babies, but more and more weenie babies are actually on our side now, though. Weenie babies are investing in Bionano. Yeah, so. We're actually, the weenie babies are kind of on our side, at least some of them. Not all institutions are weenie babies, but most of them are. It's the only thing that have held my portfolio green in these past 3 months. 2,500 at 245. Congratulations there, Dave. That's awesome. That's awesome. Held since $2, sold at 14, and got back in at 12, thinking it was a good deal. I would have tripled my position. If you've averaged down, you have made a lot of money. If you've averaged down like I have, you know, a lot of these shares that I'm holding are shares that were at an average of like $10. So my average would be I would be in the green right now if I sold to re-enter lower, but I never sold to re-enter lower. I only sold when it was like obviously overextended and I could re-enter a little bit lower like the next day, maybe. You know, when it was at 767, I sold 72 shares to add 72 or add more than that next few days. Stuff like that. Oh, wow. Mara's bleeding. Wow. Mara, 16%. I mean, still up 16%. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Mara is bleeding. NASDAQ still going a little bit sideways. Whew, man. Hopefully by the time we stream later in the day or Bionano video, hopefully the NASDAQ doesn't shit itself. That's the only thing that can screw us right now. So basically, to reiterate for Bionano, what we need today is to close the day at least above 510. I would really like if we could close above 520. If we close above the 520s, I'm super bullish for next week. And if we close the day above 520s and after hours, we don't shit ourselves, I will probably add shares in the aftermarket and after hours. Maybe I'll do that live as well on a stream later, or at least in a video. Bought at 40 cents, did not sell at 15 because it will go to 30 and I will sidestep taxes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will. I think it will. I think it will. Please make your own investing decisions, but I think it will. All right, let's check the news here. We've been going on forever. I think I'm going to end the stream within like 5 minutes because I'm going to be honest with you, my ass is very sore and I am starving and thirsty. But this has been such a goddamn fun stream. I feel like an asshole ending it now, right? I know this is what's going to happen. One of two things are going to happen. Right when we end the stream, either Bionano is going to dump and everyone's going to be selling, like, oh no, or Bionano is going to go 100% up, and it's just like right after the stream ends, and it's going to suck because that would be awesome to actually stream live, right? 539 close, absolutely could happen, absolutely. Any questions? I'm drinking wine to celebrate. Yeah, man, celebration time. Yes, sir. If you've been adding on the dips, even if you've just been holding through everything, celebration time, yes. And not because of the stock price, but because of the earnings report. Because we've got such a good Q2, Q3, Q4 to look forward to, man. It's going to be a great year for Bionano. Based on their earnings report, based on the last earnings report, based on the fundamentals, the catalyst, everything we've got. Revenue's on track to grow 90% year over year, or my estimate, 130 to 150% year over year revenue growth. It's looking great. It's looking great. We need to close the day short term above 520 though. That's what I want. That's what I want for Bionano. We've got the most volume. We've got the volume. We're literally number one in volume right now out of any stock on the NASDAQ exchange, which is insane. Do you guys realize how crazy that is? We need to pump the channel and pump the DD video for Bionano though. Yeah, honestly, I might just come back, honestly. I might just come back in a couple hours to keep talking about BNGO. Maybe I'll wear the suit and give us some good luck, right? Wear the suit for good luck. A beard and a suit, that's your good luck. But beard is not, you can't even see the beard. Honestly, can you even see the beard? No, you probably can't. The lighting is too bad. I'm getting, by the way, the upgrades, the camera and the lighting and the monitor upgrades are coming soon, by the way. Anyways, yeah, I think we're going to end it here in a minute. I think we're going to end it. Yeah, today is too big not to. Yeah, I will come back. I will. All right, too many people want me to come back. I promise I will come back later. I don't know if it's going to be market close or at 12 or in an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. I don't know. We'll see. But we will be coming back. Forget that beard. No. The beard is good luck, my friend. No way. You got to keep up the YouTube hustle. YouTube pays insanely good. Yes, it does, but not at the current, not for me, right? Not right now, but it will if we grow. So yes, yeah, I'm not going to stop making YouTube videos. No way, my friend. No way. Me, Kevin looked awful with beard. My beard would look better than that, my friend. It will look better than that. Right now, it's basically just whiskers, right? Pretty much. Anyways, all right, boys. We're going to end it. This will be worth $180 to $200 per share in the future. Yes, Dave, I agree with you there. Any last minute questions, not requested tickers. There's too many people in here for me to do requested tickers. Last minute questions about Bngo, NASDAQ, my positions, whatever the hell you want to ask me. Last chance right here before we end the stream. Thank God he shaved it, dude. You're too funny, Marcus. Man, I disagree with you though. Beards give you more charisma and better luck. Check Bngo, no. I love all y'all. EJ, I love all y'all, man. Yeah, I love you too. I love all y'all. Oh man, it's too funny. All right, boys, last minute questions. Here we go. All right, quick plugs. Unless there's anything else. All right, relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Free money. How do you get free money? I'm going to answer your questions. There's a couple good questions right now, so I'm going to answer those in the questions. Free money. How do you get free money? It's free stocks with Webull in the description. I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you. It is legitimately free money. First deposit, $100. You will get free 22, a couple $1,000 currently. Current positions. Oh my gosh, how did I forget to talk about this? We have the price targets. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. I have the price targets kind of. I worked on this a little bit last night, and honestly, I just ended up mostly just deleting stuff. I changed some stuff around. Basically, I ended up, and these are by no means like exact scientific calculations, but my end of year likely case. Here's the thing: I changed some of this stuff. I don't even remember all the stuff I changed, but I copy and pasted it down here. So, and also for the accuracy here, I just said new accuracy here. Let me go ahead and make this like way bigger to be transparent, right? Let me go ahead and make this one like 11. So the new accuracy is low, right? New accuracy is less than 50% because I was just wrong on most of the May 9th price targets. But we do have the June 15th, June 14th price targets for some of these stocks. So for Bngo, my June 14th price target is $6. This was made, well, I guess the last second was seconds ago, but this was made during the after hours yesterday. So I need to write that down. So wait, June 13th. So I should make, June 13th, because the month out price chart should be exactly a month, the next month, the exact date. So June 13th price target is $6. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, yeah, I need to do, oh dang it. May 13th's close. That's what I need to do. Yeah, I didn't even finish all this. I promised you yesterday that I would finish all this, but I kind of did, and I changed some of this stuff around. Anyways, questions. Okay, Brandon, you're going to ghost us when you blow up. No, I will not. That's a great question. No, if I blow up, okay? Let's assume I blow up. Let's be honest, probably not. But I don't know. But no, I'm not ghosting. I'm still gonna be the most down. I like to think I'm down to earth or like humble. I'm just a guy. I'm just an investor. I'm not going to transition to like, I don't know what a good sellout example is of a YouTuber. There's not going to be 5 ads on the videos. There's not going to be any ads interrupting during the videos. I never put ads. I put them before and after the video. I'm sorry for the before. I'm sorry. I'm going to stop the ads. I'm going to stop so many ads once we get the camera and crap. But anyways, I'm ranting. No, I'm not ghosting you when we blow up though. Get a beard, not a beard, lol. Nope, beard. We're getting the beard. Does not everyone? I don't know. I feel like the beard is going to happen. There's nothing you can do. The beard is going to happen. It may take a while to grow. I'm not that great at growing beards, so we'll see. See you in an hour. I have to take my dog out and feed him. Are you coming back? Yes, I am coming back. We're going to start another stream. I don't know when exactly. In a couple hours. Probably at least 2 to 3 hours. So maybe more market close than now. We're starting the stream. Or not, we are doing another stream. Sorry. Later today. So yes, but I have extra money for your IPO. That reminds me of something. Quick plug right here. If we look at the Auspicious website, I put this in like 3 months ago when I did the, if you go to the in the work section on the website here, on the very end, you have a little subtle auspicious IPO. Oh my gosh, is Brandon going to start his own company? Okay, it's an IPO. You have to have like hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue, literally at least to IPO. So that's not going to happen anytime soon. But yeah, that's a little funny thing. I saw that added in. That reminded me of that. Okay. Anyways. He going to ghost us when he goes to work for ARK? No, we're not. I'm not going to go. Even if I worked for ARK, and no, I'm not working for ARK. Hell no. I do not like. Anyways, if you share the Google spreadsheet, I can do it and share it back. Sweet guitar, dude. I have a Strat too. Wait, have you guys even seen my guitar? Yeah, you guys haven't even seen my guitar. Actually, here, you want me to show you my guitar real quick? Really fast before we end it. This is way too long. No. All right, here we go. I'm going to show you anyway. Yeah, the Jackson. I got a Jackson here. Anyways, no one cares about guitar, honestly. We all the people are young. No one cares about guitar anymore. Anyways, let's see what we're doing. Last minute, 18% still bouncing. All right, so last minute. All right, I'm getting out of here. We're gonna do it later. Hell yeah, Brandon. All right, hell yeah. All right, man. We're gonna get out of here. Anything else? Brandon has a dwarf training beard. All right, boys. Is there any? I love the wait. There's so many good comments here. I can't get them. I have a love-hate relationship with the stock. That's the truth. That's the truth of Bngo. Oh man. All right, boys. We're getting out. Leroy Jenkins. All right, we're out of here. See you soon. All right, boys. I love y'all. All right, upgrades are on the way. Current position. We have the price charts. I'm gonna update this more in the future, but yeah, we're gonna be streaming later. Upgrades are on the way. Camera. Monitor, I've been slower than I wanted to on upgrades. We're getting, I swear to God, all the money I make from YouTube is going to upgrades and a $1,000 donation to any charity. I don't know what charity it's going to be. I'm going to pick a charity. I'm going to prove that on the channel, right? Because it's like, oh, you're going to donate? No, I'm going to prove it. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you the transfer or whatever. Auspicious Business, yeah, that's the email. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one. We are streaming later. Make sure you don't leave. Oh my gosh, let's do it again. Oh my God, this is giving me a seizure. We're watching all these comments here because it's late. Anyways, thank y'all so much. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you come to the stream later today. We are streaming later today. Thank y'all so much. I will see you on the next one. Love y'all.